Hey, good evening, good evening, good evening. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go. I don't know if I'm the only one. You guys having some Ninja Trader problem? Oh man, I was just gonna say it, TF. I got logged out on my live account. I couldn't get in, but I'm back in now. I just got back in. So I was like, huh. It was fine right at the open. I took my opening trade. Then I just came back right before the stream. I'm like, the heck, I'm disconnected. So I just now got reconnected. I don't know if you guys are back reconnected. My prop firm stayed connected, but I was getting messages from other traders saying that their prop firms are having issues. And I think I seen on one of the prop firms sent out things saying they're aware of a trade issue or something. So off on the, man, we're trying to get a little lift here. Oh, right at 8 o'clock too. Let's go look. We got Trump speaking here shortly. Oh, look, Nikkei gap down. Cosby's not open yet. I wonder if it is open today. Let's go make sure there's no holiday. Holiday. Let's go, lucky. Thursday. I don't see anything. I don't see any holiday for the Cosby. Why is the Cosby not trading? Nikkei is trading. You have an issue? Hey, so are you trading with the prop firm or a live account? I didn't disconnect from my prop accounts. I left them connected. They're still connected. But my live account did get disconnected. I was unable to log back in, but I'm logged back in now. So, are they trying to disable our opportunities to make money before Trump speaks? Hey, Eric Smith, what's up? I don't know. Don't forget, it's always a great time to smash that like button. Ooh, especially before you place your first trade of the day, of the session. So, what time you go, Mike, tonight? What time did I go till? I don't know. I've gone as late as 1 o'clock in the morning. I've been off around 11, been off 10:30. We'll see how the market's shaking out. Depends on the market action, how long I stay around. This is the third stream of the day, so we'll see. We shall see. Hopefully get some good trading opportunities out there today. So right at 8, we got a little spiky spike up. Bam, right back down. And like I said, Nikkei's down 414 points, trying to pop up here a bit. I don't have the Cosby trading though. Oh, nice. I do appreciate you. Thanks for hanging out. I'm looking. I don't see anything about the Cosby. But I don't see it trading either. I'm pretty confident it opens at 8. Yeah, it opens right at 8 o'clock. I don't see it moving. Well, hey, try again. It should. Hey, Florida Express. It should let you know. Mine was all jacked up right before the stream. So it was fine. I was able to get my first trade off of the night. And I was eating dinner and people were messaging me. Hey, I can't get in. I lost this. Da da da. I was like, oh, that's weird. I don't have no problems. I come back in. I was booted out. But mine's all back up and going now. And my prop account stayed logged in. So. Hey, Trader 007. What's up? What's up? Huh. Yeah, that's weird. That is weird. You know what's funny is I couldn't get in the app either. Let's see if the app lets me in now. Yeah, the app let me back in. I'm back in, so all my live stuff's working. The app had me kicked out. The app's working now. was really weird though. I wonder why the Cosby's not trading. Nikkei is just barreling down still. I see why it's closed. Yeah, I appreciate that, Plum Trader. See, we're coming right back down. That's thanks in part to the Nikkei. Look at the Nikkei already down 1,400 points. Good night. Nikkei is getting smacked around a little bit. I think if the Cosby was open, we'd be getting smacked too. Yeah, Trump's talking at 9, so we got about 54 minutes until Trump speaks. I'm gonna try to pipe him in. We'll see. We will see how that works out. I think it was 9 o'clock. Yeah, it says 9 o'clock still. All right, so I got set up. And almost 1,500 points already. Nikkei's down 2.2% already. Good night. Should be interesting. We'll see if Trump can get the markets to go back up. Can he tweet something out? Hey, Asian Rocks, I had a problem. Mine's logged back in now. It just came on right before the stream. It was fine right at the open, and then it was jacked up, and now it's back. Oh. See, Nikkei or NASDAQ's making new lows. Jeez. We're at the second deviation band on the NASDAQ right there. In right there. I'm a little bit nervous. Hey, so do you guys have a live trading account with Ninja? Hey, Lobster, are you having a problem with your... Can you get logged in fine? Log in Ninja Trade, but not... Or Trade but not Ninja? No, live is in personal account. Oh. Oh, you know what? Only my data connection got booted. Somebody else just sent me a thing, said theirs is messed up. They can't get past the login screen. Ew. See, it booted me from my data, but then I was back up and going. All right, so I got to make sure not to shut down Ninja. Because it booted me from my data, and I just couldn't log back in. The prop firms were still up and going, but my Ninja, I had no Ninja Trader data. I wonder what's going on there. Can't log into any of them. Oh boy. This is not good. I want to trade. Can't have a place to trade and stop or target won't go in or something, and I'm gonna have issues. Interesting. Yeah, someone just sent me a screenshot as we're on the stream. Then they can't log into Ninja. They're stuck. Oh, there's another message. Hold on. NinjaTrader has detected unusual network activity and is applying protective measures which may intermittently slower response times or connectivity issues. We recommend holding off on new trades until the situation is fully resolved. That's not good. That's not good. I had no issues right at first. So is somebody trying to hack Ninja? Give me a second. I want to move one of these screens around. Sorry. Yeah, I was on mute. Oh boy. Let's have all kinds of fun. But I said Nikkei was down 1,900 points. If the Cosby was open, it'd be down quite a bit as well, probably. The Simi is just not not getting the love. I really want to pop this. I want to buy it, but I'm scared. I'm scared. If I gotta put an order in, the stop isn't gonna go and it's gonna boot me out of my connection. So I had no data connection, but my Ninja was already up when the issue arose. So I wasn't able to connect, just kept saying failed. Now I was able to connect, but others are sending screenshots saying they can't get past the login. So that's kind of weird. Let's see. You already logged in? Yeah. Yeah, everybody's having issues. Nice. really want to trade this. Hey, Nikkei's down 2K. But look, man, I really like where this NASDAQ's at. I'm just too scared with the Ninja Trader problems going on right now. Oh, boy. I don't have the confidence to place a trade. Oh, I didn't get the foil today. It was pretty fun. I have a couple clips I'll show you. Not very good. It's only the third or fourth time only third time I've taken mine out, I think. Oh, you can see it right here. Oh, let me rewind the video. Hey, there it is right there. I'm trying to practice so I gotta get better at the turn so I can take it out on the waves. So I know this joker's gonna go up. Look, perfect location for the pop up, and I'm too scared to take the trade because of the outage issue. Ah. Where I find the one, there's people on the boat. They're like pointing, like jet skis and stuff go by our boats. When I get the foil out of the water, they're like, you always hear, what is that? They think they're seeing things. Yeah, Batman One. No, I don't have a boat. But let me see if I can find that clip. I'll show you. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna pause it and I'll zoom it up. See, there's me. And then scroll over and you see the people in the boat pointing. Like, what is that? So probably. Man, really upset, man. That was a good opportunity. We had the selection on the VWAP. We had the 9 count down here, and we have platform issues. Fantastic. No, I don't see anything about the Korean markets. I see they're not trading. Unfortunately, Kospi's not opened up. Nikkei is trying to come back. It's only down 1,600 now. Yeah, sleep's overrated. 6. I usually trade 6 prop firms. So. Is anybody still having issues with the Ninja Trader desktop? Huh, cars during sudden sell-offs. Hey, Tom, says the Cosby is not open because it operates on fixed weekday trading hours, 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. KST time. Currently closed overnight, or trading has been temporarily halted due to market volatility. So I guess in pre-market, they knew it was going to be down. Well, that's reassuring. Jeez. Yeah, I really wanted to trade off that 9 count down here. I'm just scared to do it. See if Trump's gonna be speaking on time today. Yeah, volatility and sidecar. First time I ever heard the terminology sidecar. So. Really want to beat long, man. This stupid internet. Hey, Rick, see you in the morning. Your ninja's still down. Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous about that. I think I need to get some more trades in. Yeah, TradeAvate's working. What's funny is none of my prop accounts got messed up. They stayed on. Had no issues. Jesse says he's not having problems. Hey, Jesse, did you try to reboot? Like shut down Ninja and reboot? All right, you're gonna get new lows. New lows on the NASDAQ. Nikkei get halted? That's moving. Yeah, all my props are still going. Knock on wood. Yeah, Nikkei was down pretty good at the open. I'm assuming the Cosby would have been too. Lucy came out and say, traders. The fixes for Tracy accounts currently being worked on. Restoring the negative P&L from the effective time frames. Yeah, they don't know what's going on yet. Yeah, Hong Kong will open up here at 9:30, but I really wish the Cosby would have been open. It kind of stinks. I'm not a fan of it being closed. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget the bink, the little like button. And you can't log in. Yeah, that's what everyone's having a problem with, Paul. Thankfully, I logged mine in. I got one trade off near the open. I should have held it for more, but it is what it is. And now I'm scared to place a trade because I came back right before the stream and my live account was logged out. Wouldn't let me log back in. But now I'm able to log into the live account, but I can't. I'm just scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't want to place a trade and find out I'm stuck. The mobile app is working again for me. The mobile app was down too, and it's back up and going. Yeah, but hey, Paul, I'm in because I booted my platform right at, right after 5 o'clock. After the market shut down, I rebooted and I was up from then. But then when I came on to go on stream, my live account was shut off. I couldn't connect to my live data. Prop accounts were still up and going, but my live data was turned off. So I don't know what's going on. That's fantastic. Oh no, Paul, I'm already out. I got out of my trade. I'm not in a trade, but I wanted to trade right here off that 9 count. I got scared though. Everybody's still having issues. I'm like, yeah, still working, but not ninja. Hey, String Bean, which platform do you like the best? We do have Trump speaking here at 9 o'clock too. So maybe it's a good thing we're not trading before he's speaking. Make sure we don't get trapped. Nikkei or NASDAQ new session lows. Yeah. I mean, Nikkei's down pretty good. Too bad we can't see the Kospi, but Nikkei's down 2,200 points. Down 3.3%. And we'll see if the HSI is down at 930. So I want to listen to what Donnie has to say. What's he going to tell us? Have we won the war again or what? Oh boy. Look, we're getting ready to make new lows. Nikkei's getting ready to make new lows. NASDAQ trying to break new lows. I'll show you the one I got. And here's a color too. I got that one. The one from Lyft. 49 Lyft F5 Sport. I got it in blue. I thought the blue was going to be a little bit different color when I got it, but that's what I got. I like it because there's no cables for the battery. It just slides in. The mask and everything is just a clip. Real easy to assemble, and it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. You know, if we're down big tonight, we're probably going to be up tomorrow. Yes, going to break 75.50. Yep. Yes, NASDAQ all on the lows. And look, we're down here right in the second band on the ES. I'm just scared to place a trade. I don't know if it's going to go through or not. Yeah, I was between them and flight boards. John, I feel that way too. We're down all day today. Actually, last night when Taiwan Semiconductors reported earnings, if you looked over here on the Nikkei, the NASDAQ, we spiked up there and that was it. Look, from that point on, we've just been going down, 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 and down some more. And also the one I wrote in Costa Rica was a lift board too. So I just went with that. Trump speaks at 9. Well, it's on the docket for 9. We'll see what time, if he shows up on time. We'll see. I'm sure it will be because it's going to be nationally televised, I think. Hey, John, were you able to log in? I thought you were having problems logging in. Oh, get on web. Yeah, I had a problem with the mobile app not even working, but it's working now. Let's see how much Nikkei's down now. Nikkei's down 2,300 points now. So it keeps on going and going and going and going. I'll give me a moment. I gotta switch this around real quick. Yeah, Roger Sam, everybody's having problems with that. Mine's up because I was up before the problem. So it's something with their login, their authentication process or whatever. Give me a moment. Man, what's that keep happening? Always confused between long and short, or short and long. You mean which way to go? If you look at the chart, you think it's going to go up, just do the opposite. Normally that'll work. Yeah, you just got to figure out how you want to trade. Like everybody trades a little bit differently. If you're looking for a counter trend, or you're looking to go with the trend, you got to figure out what style you like first. And probably just practice in a simulated account. You get a feel for what you like. Do you like going in the direction of a trend, or do you like to fight it? And do the opposite of you and you'll be fine. That's the way I feel sometimes too, String Bean. So I really want to go long. I'm just afraid it's gonna jack up on me. You know, I'm in the platform, so I don't have a problem with that. I'm just worried because my data connection was disconnected. Wouldn't let me reconnect for a long time. I'm connected now, but do we hit new lows on the ES? Maybe. I think we're gonna bounce. I really do. You know what I can do. Or maybe I'll slow it down. Maybe I'll go MES for the first time. At night on the NASDAQ, I use 40 on the bubbles. During the day, I use 50. Man, hiccups. We'll see if I regret this. I went long the MES. I was too scared. I wanted to do NASDAQ. I was like, here's my trade. You want to get a little pop up with that? Trade went through, so we'll see if it works. Yeah, I don't want us to trade when Trump's talking. Probably. They're protecting us from ourselves. As much as we may not like it, sometimes we need it. So Don should be talking about 25 minutes, which I probably should work on getting that set up because I want to be able to hear it too. So bear with me for a minute. Nikkei or NASDAQ new lows. All right, let's just see. This is gonna work. All right, that gives me that. Yeah, I saw SpaceX was down. Some of my orders got executed on SpaceX after hours. I don't know where it's at now. Some of my orders got executed on SpaceX after hours. So I'll get those charged up. Maybe I'll do this too. Let me get this situated. Properties. Oh, let's see. Test. Okay, that'll work. Hey, I'm gonna need your guys' help once Mr. Trump comes on and starts talking. I'm gonna need help trying to adjust the volume. Make sure it's not too loud, not too quiet. Just right. Yeah, look at this extended hours. SpaceX got smacked on the way down. So SK Hynix, let's go look at that. Let's go lucky. I was down 13% today. Yeah, it's right there at the lowest it's ever been in a matter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trading days. 5-day low, also known as the all-time low. All right. Cosby still not trading. Nikkei down 2,400 points. This is a bad little, way to start off Asia. And it has nothing to do with what's going on in the Middle East. Oil is just kind of chilling, going sideways. So, yeah. Media Technology Group has. Yeah, I saw that earlier. They're gonna license their data feed. Hey, we do have a little bit of liquidity here on the NASDAQ as well. If we look about 879, 980, something like that, 980, 311 contracts. We'll see if we make it there or we can repel away from it. So 100 contracts dropped on M&Q. Oh, good night. I get a nice little bump here. I am down on the MES I put on. Oh no, I'm up $5 now. I was down. Oh. So we'll see. I really want to trade the NASDAQ. Maybe it's a good thing that I haven't been able to trade the NASDAQ. Because I've been wanting to trade it long. In this area, I may have been giving up donations. So maybe the market did me a solid by protecting me from myself. Yeah, just purchase my data feed. Hey, he needs to sell a trade copy service. Trade copy service. I make everybody rich. Just sign up to my service. It's only, we only got a few more limited time left in the service. Hey, and over here on the ES, we have a lot of liquidity up here. I like the way it's layered up here. 81 down here to 78. Over 100 contracts at each of these price points. Each of these price points right here. But we gotta get it lift up first. I mean, we're still down here in the dumps. Nikkei down almost 2,500 points. Are you guys able to get back into Ninja yet? Are you guys still blocked out? Hey, stay broke. Good night. I can't get in yet. Yeah, it's that irritate me. I just keep going. Try again. Try again. Try again. Oh, there you go. Down 2,568 points. Down 3.84%. Thanks. It's pretty massive. We're still going lower right now. My MES trade is underwater for sure now. Down 40 bucks in the trade. Again, tonight we gapped up, bing, all the way down. What's the range so far? 27-point range. Wow, look at the NASDAQ too, man. I like that. I want to trade it. I'm just scared to do it. Scared to trade the NASDAQ with the Ninja issues. Yeah, meltdown. Hey, Chris. Good evening. What's up? What's up? Yeah, unknown error. Contact support. Yeah, Kobe. Everybody's having issues. Hey, BK. Good evening. So if you're already logged into Ninja, don't restart it. You might have issues. Yeah, all the prop firms are putting out messages. We're aware of the creative aid issue. Oh man, that stinks. You were logged in and then it froze. Oh no, hey BK, the Flex accounts. So Apex doesn't have Flex. Here, we'll look at what Apex has. Lucid has Flex accounts. If you look at Apex, and Apex does have an amazing sale right now. Use code Mike, but right now, BK, if you go to the no activation account for the 50K account, you can get all in for $49. If you want to pay the activation, it is intraday trailing drawdown. EOD ones are 109, but yeah, look, 50K is even cheaper than the 25K no activation fee account. So with Apex, all you gotta choose is, do you want intraday, do you want EOD, and do you want a standard account where it's cheaper, or do you want no activation? Right now, though, the 50K no activation is really cheap. Let's just see, standard EOD account. Yeah, look, 50K EOD account is the same price as the intraday no activation fee account. Well, the problem is you got to deal with the intraday trailing drawdown in this account, but it's pretty darn cheap. If you're looking for a cheap account, I think that's a good option in my opinion. It's gonna rip up without me. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry, but I'll be happy because at least my MES maybe can get green. Well, the intraday is cheaper. I currently have the EOD accounts. You pass your MFFU rapid BOGO deal. Nice. Oh, that's awesome, Cove. Good deal. So we get a little pop up. Now I am curious. I'll keep this as a move-in fib. So we finally get a retracement, but right now, 38% retracements at 57, which I want more on the trade than that. MU after hour. Let's go look at that. MU after hours. Oh wow. Yeah, MU is down another 3.84% after hours. Yeah, that's crazy. So Trump will be speaking in about 15 minutes. I'm going to bring him on to the stream where we can watch and listen to it, as it'll probably move the markets. I wonder if he ever has a ticker up there so we can see it as he's talking. Oh crap, market's tanking. All right, I gotta say some good things now. And let's see, Nikkei bouncing. Yeah, Nikkei's bouncing. Now it's only down 2,483 points. Golly. So, I'm trying to get my MES in the green. They're trying. Let's see if we can get a little poppy pop. A different teleprompter. We'll see if he's on time tonight. Usually, you know, when he speaks during the day, he's late. We'll see if he's on time today. Yeah, WDC. Let's go look at that. Yeah, we're getting some carnage out there in individual stocks. Western Digital. Hey, so how far is it from the high? After hours, it's 44% off all-time highs. Look at SanDisk. SanDisk was like 40% off today as well. All-time high down here at SanDisk. Right now, after hours, 42% from all-time highs. Bitcoin's not really down at the moment. Oh, 23 points. That's nothing. That's like the new up. Oh, Nikkei is back down 2,500. I wish Cosby was open. Oh no, Cosby's closed for Constitution Day. So Cosby will not open today. It's not because of volatility. The sidecar issue like we read on Google. It's closed for Constitution Day. All right. So we don't have to worry about that trading tonight. Trump say bye, bye, bye. If you want to get rich, buy now. Hey, that's what he said back in April of 2025 when the market, right before the market bottomed. It was like, buy now, we're down 20%. And the market rallies and rallies and rallies. Well, at least it's only the micros I have on, but I do got more on than I would like, but at the same price point anyways. I usually like to spread out my orders a little bit. And Q9 count in the 15. I really want to buy it. I really do. I want to buy it. I want to buy it. But oh, that's weird. This chart's messed up. Oh boy. This chart's not working. It's froze. Ah. This chart froze. That chart's working, but my MES chart's froze. Now it's working. That's weird. Oh boy. At least it's micros. I'm determined to make something out of this. Yeah, they're working on it. Well, TradeEvade won't do me any good logging into that. Can't fix this trade. Saying a TradeEvade account. Trump should be speaking about 9 minutes. Targets filled. Nice. Hey, Jesse, is that your live account? Or your funded Lucid account? If you are trading that account, just be careful tonight. With all the ninja issues going on. Drops 50 points and rallies 150. Let's go. I'll be right with that. My MES right now is making a little bit of money. Not much. Yeah, you can call the trade desk. Assuming that they can log in. Man, everybody's blowing me up. So I know it's not fixed because people are still texting me and emailing me about it. So Ninja's still having issues. Yeah, I'm going to show Trump speaking. We're going to bring him in. I'm just waiting for it to start. I got it all queued up at the moment. What the heck? Oh, let me go on that. I don't know if he's outside. I got it showing right there. So, what if there's another channel playing it? Let's see. All right, maybe I'll go with that one. Yeah, so I went to that view right there. We'll see when he addresses the nation. Will he be on time? We got 5 minutes. If it's on live TV, then maybe it'll be on time. Since they have timelines, I would think, maybe. All right, up 70, up 85 on these micros. Let's get it. Give me. Nikkei's only down 2,000 points now. Hey. Wouldn't mind seeing this to go ahead and just squeeze. Big old candle up. I'd love it. Love it. Yeah, man, that guy doesn't sleep, I don't think. He's always on the social media all night long, all day. Yeah, pull their FCC. Sir, you're late. Really? I'm on time. Oh, yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry, we must have had it written down wrong. So, all right, up 100 on the micros. So I had to slow it down a bit tonight. Not trusting the Ninja Trader issues. Ninja being down. Hopefully Trump doesn't slam it back down through the lows now. Hopefully we can just work on just back up. I think we have some Fed heads speaking right now too. Oh no, they're already speaking. Oh boy. Hey, so how many of you guys can get into Ninja? Anybody? Anybody already logged into Ninja, or are you guys already locked out? Yeah, I was thinking we'd probe back through the lows today and then come back up, form a D-shaped profile after the day we had today. So we're already starting off with a probe lower tonight. Brokerages can't afford any more speeches. Yeah. I think Tradebait was down for a while too. But now Ninja just can't get past her licensing page. Logged in, no problem. Hey, David, did you just log in tonight, or have you been logged in all day? How do you close a builder account so you can upgrade your rapid? You mean cancel the account? Cancel the builder account? You have to go into the back end under accounts and select cancel. Yeah, go in the MFF, the back end under accounts and hit cancel. Let me see real quick. I don't want to cancel any of my I don't want to cancel my funded accounts, so I got to be careful. Let's see. Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, try to log in. I didn't know my password, I guess. I changed it recently and now I can't try again for a few minutes. Hey, let me in. Let's see. Hey, so if you log into your accounts, let me see. So under accounts, you'll see the accounts you have active. I have 3. Let's see if I go. It'll let me screenshot it. Do not cancel it. Okay, under accounts, if you look right here on the right hand side, click over there, and when you do, it'll highlight it. It'll bring up cancel account. Click on that and you can cancel your account, and you'll be good. I still don't see Trump speaking. Trump's supposed to be speaking at 9:01. Oh boy. Saw a grizzly. Oh man. Oh, he's out. Hold on. Let's see. All right, we getting ready to rally or what?
Than it has ever been before. We are doing great.
Let me know if the volume's
Less than
good.
2 years ago, we inherited an economic and social disaster after the worst inflation in 48 years, the wide open borders with millions and millions of people pouring in from all over the world, including criminals of all types, and 11,888 murders, many of whom killed more than one person. We had transgender for everybody, men and women sports, crime ravaging our cities, and the whole world was laughing at us as a nation.
Let's go up.
But not anymore. 2 years ago,
Not anymore.
our country was dead. Now we are the hottest country anywhere in the world. America is respected like we have never been respected before. We have more money being invested in the United States than at any time in the history of our country. More Americans are working today than ever before. This week it was announced that inflation saw the largest monthly decline in more than 6 years. Just happened. It was just given out. The media reported it, and we accept it. The best in 6 years. The tax cuts in our great, big, beautiful bill are saving hardworking families thousands and thousands of dollars, like with the provisions, no tax on tips, no tax on overtime, and no tax on Social Security for our great seniors, along with the interest deduction on a loan used to purchase a car, but only if that car is made in America, and a 100% expensing for our job-creating businesses. Our stock markets are at their highest point in many years, but we can actually say
everybody's been
of
having
all
issues.
time.
Ninja
And your
is working on it.
401ks, pensions, and retirement accounts are setting records every
If you're already logged in, you're
single
good.
day, the highest in history. For years,
You're
we
not having
paid the
issues.
highest price for prescription drugs anywhere in the world. Now we pay the lowest price under my most favored nations policy,
Yeah, I don't know if we
because
pay the
I was
lowest.
able to get the rest of the world and the pharmaceutical
I don't know if I believe that.
companies to act responsibly. Drug prices are coming down by 70, 80, and 90%. TrumpRx.gov, this will...
Yeah, ready. I said everybody's having issues with Ninja tonight. Something wrong with the licensing
advantage of it.
verification.
But the cost of health care is coming way down because of what we've done with prescription drugs. And with Trump accounts, every child in America now has access to a tax-free investment account to save for their future. Billions and billions of dollars are being invested, put in by companies and individuals to take care of our children so that at age 18, they will have potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars in their account. and they'll get off to a great start in life. So for that, go to trumpaccounts.gov and sign up your child or any child who'd like to sign up. Our previously wide open borders have been transformed into the most secure borders in the history of our country, with 0 illegal aliens being admitted to the United States in the past 14 months. That is 0. Nobody thought it was possible. We had the worst border in the history of our country, and now we have the best. Crime is plummeting nationwide, with the murder rate at its lowest level since 1900, or more than 125 years ago. We're making a record investment in our armed forces, and we have the strongest and most powerful military by far anywhere in the world. I built it during my first term, and unfortunately, we're forced to use it now. We won in Venezuela, which is now working with us to produce millions and millions of barrels of oil. We are likewise winning big in Iran, and you will see the fruits of that labor very, very shortly. America is back and doing really well, but we still have a major challenge that must be urgently addressed, because no country can be great without fair and honest elections. You have to trust your country, because if there can be no trust, there can be no greatness. And that's very simple. No trust, no greatness. For many years, I've called for bold, swift, and decisive action to protect the integrity of America's elections. Every American deserves to know that when they cast their vote, that vote will be counted accurately in a system, and that is to make that system secure. One where cheating and interference are not just difficult, but virtually impossible. Unfortunately, the system we have today falls catastrophically short of that standard. Tonight, I'm announcing the immediate declassification and release of critical intelligence revealing shocking vulnerabilities in our election infrastructure. This evidence shows that the election system we have dangerously exposes, and really exposes like levels never thought possible,
depends on how far down we get,
to hacking, exploitation, and foreign interference. Just as disturbingly, this vital information has for many years been covered up and hidden from you, the American people, our beautiful, our great American people. But that all changes right now. The documents we will release starting tonight have been gathered by the White House Government Transparency Task Force, a great group of people, along with the staff of the President's Intelligence Advisory Board, supported by our top intelligence agency chiefs, who have all personally reviewed the findings. We are presenting this evening and fully confirmed their authenticity. You can see these documents for yourself at whitehouse.gov. That's whitehouse.gov. Go check it out. Our purpose in disclosing this information is not to weaken confidence in election, but to earn that confidence by confronting vulnerabilities and correcting them very, very quickly. And that's what we're doing. The documents cover 5 major areas of concern. First, they show that over a period of years, starting during the 2020 election cycle, the People's Republic of China carried out what is believed to be the largest compromise of election data in history, resulting in China's illicit acquisition of 220 million U.S. voter files. That information includes names, addresses, phone numbers, political party preferences, and other sensitive data that would be needed to register to vote and engage in other nefarious activities, which is exactly what was happening. This data loss presents an unprecedented election security nightmare. The intelligence even shows that China has signed a data exploitation unit specifically to this new project. Compounding the travesty, the second set of documents we are releasing reveals that members of the deep state, very, very famous group of people, in many cases, in our intelligence agency worked to actively suppress and downplay information about the extent of China's sinister election meddling, covering it up from both the president and the American people like nobody thought was possible. U.S. spy agencies began learning about the compromise of voter registration files in 2020 when they discovered that tens of millions of voter data, think of that, tens of millions of voters' data in 18 states have been bought, stolen, or hacked by China. Yet those responsible for sounding the alarm instead kept the information secret and hidden. They did not disclose to me as president or to anyone else, and to the best of our knowledge, they did not inform Congress. In fact, all they kept saying is, this is the most secure election in the history of our country. A standard, very pat line that was divvied out to say. The cover-up of this colossal security breach is even more disturbing in light of the additional information showing that China engaged in other election-related activities to undermine my first administration and our 2020 campaign. They did not want, and they just didn't want it. They fought like hell not to have it, Donald Trump, to win, and for good reason. As the documents we are releasing show, CIA reporting explicitly stated, and I quote, in mid-2018, the Chinese Communist Party's policy was to leverage all domestic and foreign elements that were opposed to the U.S. president in an effort to reduce the U.S. president's votes and make him resign or prevent his re-election. Isn't that nice? Also, in mid-2018, China was working to influence the results of the U.S. midterm elections and later the results of the 2020 presidential election itself. Separately, in mid-2019, the Chinese government's strategy against the United States was focused on undermining domestic confidence in the U.S. president. They wanted to just make you sound like your president wasn't so hot, when actually your president has done a great job, and they did everything possible to do exactly that. Going on, this document says, and this is by the CIA, the strategy included efforts to use Chinese contacts with big U.S. companies to influence U.S. business leaders to turn against the President of the United States of America. The Chinese government sought to identify U.S. journalists who had reported negatively on the U.S. president and pay them large sums of money to write more negative articles about him, as many as they could, and they didn't care what they said.
Nice.
The Chinese government wanted U.S. president to lose the next election, and the reason they wanted me to lose is because they knew I was wise to them, charged them billions and billions of dollars worth of tariffs, and built the strongest military anywhere in the world. We have the strongest military anywhere in the world. These are exact quotes from the CIA reporting. The name of the person doing the quote is now under review, but it gets even worse. Raw intelligence obtained by the FBI in 2020, yet buried by rogue bureaucrats, stated that China's activities even included an attempt to manufacture illegal ballots for Joe Biden. Documents show that during this period, dozens of significant CIA and NSA reports about China's election targeting were kept out of the presidential briefing. These were briefings I would get almost every day. Everything was kept out that was of importance. One email among intelligence analysts admitted that they had, quote, deliberately massaged the presidential daily briefing to withhold information regarding Chinese activities related to the election. Another official inside the FBI wrote that she was running, quote, a shadow government, unquote, to keep intelligence about China's election meddling from becoming known and to keep it away from the honorable press. Other officials who witnessed such efforts perceived the motivations to be blatantly political.
DK's only down.
Recently, we found significant numbers of burn bags in formation, and this is a group of bags that were used to destroy information given by President Barack Hussein Obama to be burned. It was supposed to be burned. These bags were supposed to be at a different level by different people, incinerated and checked, but it never happened. Maybe we got lucky. We believe this was not done on purpose, but rather through gross incompetence of the people that were supposed to burn the bags. But the findings are stunning. Today, I'm asking the Office of the Director of National Intelligence, the Department of Justice, the FBI, and the CIA to investigate how and why such crucial information was hidden, to fire those involved in the cover-up, and to file criminal charges, if appropriate, against these people. Yet concealing China's meddling was only the beginning. The third set of documents we are releasing proves that for many years, Americans were blatantly lied to about the security of our election infrastructure, including electronic voting machines and ballot counting systems, dishonest, almost all. They're vulnerable and they're easily compromised, and people within our government knew that. Tonight, we're publishing a series of previously classified U.S. intelligence community assessments and other reports proving that our government has long known these machines are extremely exposed to attack. As one assessment states, we judged that the United States adversaries, including at a minimum Russia, China, Iran, North Korea, as well as non-state groups, have the capability to compromise U.S. election infrastructure. That's unquote, but that's some statement, isn't it? Made by supposedly great patriots of our country. The document goes on to further state that, quote, we assess that centralized election-related data repositories, such as voter registration databases, poll books, and other official election websites, are most vulnerable to exploitation, and adversaries could use this access to these systems to disrupt election processes within the United States of America. Tonight, we're releasing all of those findings, and spanning from January 2020 to June 2026. This is a cyber threat aimed at the very heart of our democracy. Many people have questioned whether it could actually be possible to electronically manipulate vote totals or change election results on these terrible machines. Today, we are releasing documents that show the CIA obtained reporting of a specific plot to do a big number in favor of the corrupt Maduro regime in Venezuela. And that's exactly what happened, conspiring to digitally rig their own country's elections in 2020, and that's what they did. This reporting included precise details about methods to regime develop to digitally alter vote totals in ways that could not be detected even with an audit, no matter how deep they went. This intelligence underscores why we must take urgent action to ensure that our own system can never, ever be hacked or compromised like it was in the past. The fourth set of documents reveals that even when significant evidence of fraud has been detected, it has been buried and covered up. Among the disclosures tonight are FBI files detailing evidence of alleged fraud by a large-scale voter registration operation in Michigan. In 2020, Michigan State Police raided a Democrat Get Out the Vote organization, corrupt group in Muskegon. And we're so concerned by what they found. They were just so concerned, they couldn't believe it, actually, that they contacted the FBI in Detroit. The documents state that some canvassers admitted to FBI agents that they signed voter registration forms in other people's names, submitted fraudulent registration for people who did not exist, and received gift cards tied to their number of applications that they produced. In other words, it was pay, play, and cheat. The FBI agents working on the case believe that crimes were committed,
Look at Nikkei
yet
real
the
quick.
Biden Department of Justice slow-walked the investigation and killed it.
Nikkei's down 20,000.
Tonight, I'm asking the FBI director to ensure that the matter is fully investigated and to work with the Department of Justice to prosecute those responsible for any crimes. Finally, to reveal just how vulnerable our elections continue to be, we are releasing the results of a stunning investigation by the Department of Homeland Security. According to the DHS review, state voter rolls and public records, they identified approximately 278,000 non-citizens who are registered to vote in federal elections. Since Democrat states refuse to share their voter files, the real number is actually much higher than that. Yet, even this limited analysis found more than 250,000 foreigners illegally registered to vote. Put together, these disclosures reveal an election system so broken and so vulnerable that no one can possibly defend it. It is not defensible. Hundreds of millions of U.S. voter files are in the hands of foreign governments. Our machines and ballot counting systems are exposed to hacking and manipulation and corruption. China and other countries have been trying to meddle in our elections. Evidence of fraud has been buried. Hundreds of thousands of non-citizens and dead people are listed and active on the voter rolls, and yet we still have elections with no voter ID, no proof of citizenship, and tens of millions of ballots floating aimlessly through the mail. As one example of the insanity, California's recent election for mayor of LA and governor was held on June 2nd, a long time ago, but it was just completed a few days ago on July 10th. Think of that, much more than 1 month. Took a month to count the votes. I wonder what they were doing. This is worse than any third world country. There's no third world country that has elections like we have. In a rare move, NBC and ABC Fake News have both said that they would not cover this speech. They knew what it was about because of the fact that they don't like the topic, because they know how corrupt our system is and they don't want to reveal it. They and others in the media are part of a plot. They want to continue this fraud for whatever reason. They want to keep it going. They want to protect the radical left. They can't have a great country, and that's true. You can't have a great country without free and fair elections. Fraud like this should mean a revocation of their licenses.
Hey, Mike, it's not a war.
They use our public multi-billion-dollar in value airways for absolutely no money. They pay nothing. All we want is honesty in our elections and honesty in reporting.
Just an exercise.
They pay nothing for multi-billion-dollar assets. Great damage has been done to our country. Our elections were left vulnerable to being rigged and stolen, and the trust of the American people was lost. This cannot be allowed to continue. Every American, whether you're a Republican, Democrat, Independent, or otherwise, should be able to agree that we deserve the most secure, honest, and fair election system anywhere in the world. Secure elections should be a partisan, we should be together, Democrats, Republicans, Independents, everybody, and it should not be a partisan issue. It should cause to unite us, not to divide us. This should be a cause. We should be united, not divided. In light of the brand new and irrefutable information I have revealed tonight, my administration is in the process of notifying the states whose election data was compromised by the People's Republic of China and many others. We will be working closely to mitigate any harm, and we're taking swift action to ensure that sensitive voter data is better protected so we can never be bought, we can never be hacked, and we can never watch a stolen election again. Tomorrow, the Secretary of Homeland Security will hold a briefing to outline his department's recent work confirming cyber vulnerabilities in our electronic voting systems. They are bad. We're in the process of informing governors, senators, and members of Congress of potential issues in their states. If you look at voting today, it's in such bad shape in so many states, and we are committing to fix it.
Let me guess, it's in bad
and we're
shape
also committing to be working with those states and local jurisdictions to help them fix and patch known technical vulnerabilities before the midterm elections. We have very important elections coming up.
That's why we talk about
we want those elections, to be honest. I've also ordered DHS to notify every state about non-citizens on their voter rolls and direct them to remove all ineligible voters from the lists immediately. But most importantly, addressing this crisis of election security demands that Congress must pass the Save America Act. How easy is that to do unless you want to cheat? The only reason you wouldn't do it is you want to cheat because your policies are so bad and your candidates are so pathetic that you can't get away or can't get elected any other way. This landmark bill requires that all voters must show photo voter ID. How simple is that? Could I have your photo, please? Photo voter ID. All voters must provide proof of citizenship. Are you a citizen of our country, please? And hopefully there will be no corrupt mail-in ballots, which if you watched California and so many other places, mail-in ballots are inherently corrupt. So you would have no mail-in ballots except for illness, disability, military deployment, or travel if you're going away on business or vacation. These reforms are urgently needed to stop the vulnerabilities that I've mentioned. To all Americans, I ask you to pick up your phone tomorrow, call your representatives in the House and Senate, and demand that they pass the Save America Act without delay. Together, we will restore faith and confidence in our country, and we will be bigger, better, and stronger than ever before. Thank you. God bless you. God bless our great military. And God bless America. Thank you very much.
All right, no questions. I was going to see if he's going to take questions, see if we can get some spiciness out there. Guess not, though. Hey, so is everybody's ninja back up and going? Is everybody's ninja back up and running? Anybody still having problems? What's going on there? Yay or nay? Okay, we'll log in. All right, perfect. All right, so it looks like Ninja is back. All right. Back. All right, perfect. Ninja is back. Now my micros are underwater here a little bit. I got 4 deep in it. Logged in. All right. Let's go. Get it, and get it. Hey, String Bean, you can sleep when you're dead. Got plenty of time to sleep when we're dead. Let's see if we can get up here now. I gotta readjust this fib. All right, we gotta adjust it back down towards the low. Let's look at the. And look, we closed outside of value area low. We never came back to it. Key points way up here at 83. Interesting. Yeah, sleep's for sissies. Who needs sleep? Just to show you how much sleep I don't need, I was going to stream for 28 hours straight. So 4 hours longer than we have in a day. So let's see. What NASDAQ? This guy would just keep melting down. Cosby's not open today. Nikkei is back down 2,300. HSI should be open. HSI is open. So HSI is green. Hey, white boy, what's up? Good evening. Long one MES from 75.44. I think you got a better price than I do, Bob. Yeah, you're in better than I am. Looks like I might go down there and take out the low again. It's not gonna be fun. Do I dare? Nah, we're not really by the deviation band anymore. So if we look on the NASDAQ, here's the first band. Second band is way down here at 976. So between 976 and 923 is where I'd like to look for a little counter trend. But we gotta get down there first. You scalped 20 times tonight? Hey, Paul, I'm a little bit scared with the Ninja Trader issues. Hey, were you able to activate that account also, Paul? The one that you're having problems with earlier? Did you get it activated? Oh, nice. All right. Yeah, I expected more volatility too, Eric. I thought a little excited we might get some more movement. Hey, String Bean, I don't really have that issue. Like maybe last time I had an issue where I couldn't log into Ninja, maybe 2 years ago. Actually being able to log into the platform. It was a Sunday night. So I was like, dang it, I want to trade the open. I couldn't get logged in. That was so frustrating. So I watched the market moving on Thinkorswim exactly where I thought it was going to go, of course, because I'm not in the trade. And yeah. It's a pretty good little sell. Let's see the 4-hour chart real quick. And we're down here within these wicks. So look, we came down way too far. So we're in that zone where we should come back and test. Candle wick to the candle body. NASDAQ just made new session lows. Look at NASDAQ on the 4-hour. Talked about this at the end of the stream today. It's probably where we're coming. So next stop anywhere from 961 to 910. So probably gonna make it down there. Keep moving that fib here a little bit. Yeah, tomorrow we gotta pay attention to the 10 o'clock news. So tomorrow at 10 a.m. we have preliminary consumer sentiment, preliminary inflation expectations. Quite often cause a trend day in the market, and we do have OPEX tomorrow too. Oh, nice. Past the Lucid account. Man, good job. Nice. See if the Nikkei took out the low yet. Oh boy. HSI is still up. Nikkei's down 2,500 points. Report card sent. Let's see. Oh, man. We're going to have some Lucid accounts to give away in the near future as well. So we got some Lucid, some TPT. Probably won't do it tonight, but see if we can get the light counter up tomorrow. Radiant's power plant, that would send oil up. Let's see oil, speaking of. Yeah, oil is going up here a little bit, trying to pull back slightly. Nikkei or NASDAQ, I think, is trying to work its way down towards the zone. So 964 to 911, 910. Do I think we're trying to go? All right, added one more to this MES. So I'm up to 5 on it. Hey, Sam, I'm still waiting for the live account with Perdia. So I gotta wait for that process. I need to go check my emails, make sure I didn't miss an email. I had a lot going on lately. Let's see. Yeah. Taiwan down 4%. Well, Nikkei's down pretty good too. Cosby's closed today. Cosby would be down pretty bad, but here in HVAC Man today, I know a little bit about HVAC only because I worked on cars. I understand how it works. Components are just bigger in a house and in different locations. Like the condenser, instead of being in front of the car, it's on the side of your house. So, come on, Mr. ES or MES, just go up. That Cosby was open, man. I think it'd be down big. I think it'd be down bigly. But we'll see. Yeah, I traded at Power Hour, Raphael. I did all right at Power Hour, actually. I think I only had 2 losing trades, 2 or 3. I did pretty decent. Power Hour was decent to me. Maybe I had a little bit more in losing trades, but I did fairly well. I was happy with it. I didn't take too many trades. I took enough to make it entertaining, but I didn't trade as much as I do sometimes. But I really hate when the markets are only going one direction. Like this, straight down. I hate this. I hate it. I like ebbs and flows. Like here, we go down, we pop up a little bit. Hey, I'm fine with that. But this, not really much of a pullback. I don't like that. This is the stuff that gets me in trouble in my trading. So I don't like it. So see if we get a little poppy pop. Yeah, I got 5 micros on right now in the MES. Probably good that we couldn't log into Ninja. Ninja was having issues. Caused me to be a little bit scared. And yeah, not take most of the... I didn't trade the NQ at all. Got a feeling it would have ate my lunch a little bit. Yeah, I'm long on the MES. I'm long and I may be wrong. We're gonna wake up to a big nasty down day tomorrow. Too deep on the MES. And you see, we're just not budging. We had a little tiny little gap up, whoop, and then damn. Now I was thinking, maybe we'll come back down towards this area right here. We overshot that. We just keep going and going and going. $30,374 to 28,218. Yeah. I think I was up a little over $100 on the trade over here. I didn't take it. I hate when we just keep going one direction. I like it where, you can sweep the liquidity and then, take it and go the other way and then pop up a little bit. I'm fine with that, or vice versa. You know which way you're breaking first, but. We just keep grinding down too. It's gonna get ugly. You're out. See you later, Neo. Yeah, I agree, Raj. Not looking good. We know things have been bloated for a while. For a long while. So I'm going to get bored with this trade too. Getting a little bit bored with it. Oh, you're not missing much, Jesse. Not missing much. Just hanging out. Put me in the red and just was up on it. Probably should have took it, but anytime soon, I don't know. We'll see. Right now, it just keeps going one direction. Yeah, wait till we see, some strength in the market. There's none right now. None's. We just going lower. Hold the market up for you. Can't, just falling, free falling. Only goes down, 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 down. I feel like every day, I don't know if that's truth or not. Let's go look. I feel like every day, all we've done is go down. Let's see. No, it's 2 days down. 2 days up, 2 days down. Small little days up. And look, we're coming into that zone right there. Look, NASDAQ coming into our zone. Man, ES busting down. NASDAQ's into our zone. What about missed that? ES getting close to it. NASDAQ was already in it. ES getting close to it. Close to the down to the bottom of it. Might take a swing on this NASDAQ. I take a swing. I gotta be careful here. Come on. Let's get on up there. Uh-oh. We had a lot of delta down here too. We had some liquidity on Bookmap. They took it. They just took it. See, where's the Nikkei at? Nikkei's down 2,600, so that means that's getting ready to take out the low. That's not gonna be good for my trade. That's not gonna be good for me. Told you. All right, got me on that one. And the MES is eating my lunch too. If I were to close out MES, I'd be down for the day, for the night. It's not how I want to start a Friday off. We get one more shot. That's great. You're still in it, Frank? Oh, man. You got this, Paul. Hey, just don't go long and you're good. It's going to put me... I won't quite be red. I'll be close. Yeah, relentless dumping. And I don't do good in one-way markets. The markets just keep going and going and going and going and going. I don't do good. No, Trump's still done. Trump's still done. Trump is done speaking. It's gonna rip. The fact that it wouldn't fill me there, it's gonna rip. You son of a biscuit. I'm not in a good spot here. Pullback's gonna probably take me out, but I was afraid it was gonna leave without me. We got a 9 count down here in our zone. Yeah, Q just hit the second deviation band. So did ES too, Raj. ES and the NASDAQ both just breached the second deviation band. Come on up. Let's get it. Please, please, please. Ribbit. No pullbacks allowed. We're going to be coming up on the upper regression channel here. Hopefully that doesn't provide resistance for us. I really would feel better if my stop was below the low. I don't want to move it. I should have taken it. I was liking it too. Camel halfway in quicksand. That draft video is funny. Yeah, she angry. I'm gonna get back in again. I'm not done. We break that low, I'm gonna take it. through. It's not going to go. $33. Oh boy. They pull that last little bit's the hardest. Oh man. Neo's longing again. Oh boy. Probably gonna mess your trade up for you, Neo. Because I'm long right now too. So it's probably not gonna work. Hmm. What's the range real quick? 268. We're in our zone down here. I like the location. If you do candle count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive down candles in a row. Starting to get to that point. Hmm. Got a little fight on my hands tonight. 18 more to go. U.S. Central Command completed latest major series of strikes against Iran. 30 micros scalps. If it rips up there, I'll be good. If not, it's gonna suck. Might end up having man, that's gonna stink. I don't want to go into Friday being red. That's makes it a little bit more challenging. I'm not gonna be a fan of that. You're waiting to break even? Hey Neo, where's your break even? We just rip real quick. It's right here. Get the chirps going on up. $29,025. We have a little bit minor liquidity. 46 contracts. Hasn't been on the books very long. So we'll see if we make it up there. That's weird. Yeah, it stinks, man. The one over here, I was up decent on it too. Let's see. Is Nikkei at lunch? I don't think Nikkei's at lunch yet. Nikkei's down 2,600. HSI opened up. Now it's down 233. Yep. HSI turned red. Yeah. It's just a slow grind down. It's not even a fast move. Just relentless. Keeps going and going and going and going. Yeah, red would be good if I was short, but I wasn't. We went down all day today. I'm like, yeah, we'll probably get a little pop. Right now, it's looking like I'm going to be wrong. I gotta take that low again. Almost just took that $55. But look at that low. I'm like, man, we're gonna sweep that low again. Stop me out again. I have my work cut out for me. So really, what's gonna be a catalyst to really get us cooking? Gold's falling. Gold's down $9. Let's see where. Let's look at a chart real quick. Mr. GC. And gold is coming down a little bit. What about crude oil? I pulled off the high a little bit. But half at break even, 70. Hopefully you get that 70, Neo. Want to go way higher than that, but I need more than that just to get the break even on for myself. VWAP right now is at 29,065. Yeah, oil struggling. What if I'm gonna have a down night? I really don't want to be down. I sure hope not. So we can get this back. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Push, 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 push. Push it. Push it. Keep on going. Keep it going. Let's see if we're going to make it. Let's go. There we go. I really hope it doesn't just come back on me, though. I'm trying to be greedy here. Out 20 points. Hey, good job on that, Raj. Probably going to regret not taking this. This would be enough to put me back in the green, but not back to equity highs yet. Close it. I'm probably going to regret it. Got that feeling I'm going to regret it. We're at the upper regression channel right here, but I want to give it a little bit of a chance. I want to give it a fighting chance. RM says, hold it. Yeah, I want to see if they keep that liquidity there at 25. Right here on Bookmap. I think we'll stop before we get there, but we'll see. Wait till it goes to 1,000. I think if I get out my target, I think that's roughly where I'd be at. It'd be about 1,000. Last two nights we had a pretty good Asia session nights. Tonight I'm struggling a little bit. I didn't place a whole lot of trades tonight either. They need to rip it. Yeah, smash that like button. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh man, hey, thanks for that. Thanks for the donation. So I guess I won't walk out empty-handed tonight. Come on, just push. We need a statement. We won the war again. The war's over. Iran wants to talk. Let's do something. We're going to be meeting with Iran tomorrow to end the war. Signing a deal any moment. All that would be good for my trade. All avenues welcomed. Yeah, 1 hour open, 10 o'clock. Let's go. You know, if that's the low of the night, I should be good. But if it's not, we're probably going back down there. I'm not adding another 4. No, thank you. If I add to this trade, I'll instantly go down. Instantly. With the quickness. So I'm trying to get the benefit of the doubt. Look. Dang it. Dang it. Yeah, volume hasn't been that crazy tonight anyways. I really thought Trump's speech might give us a little bit more volatility than what we got. But it is what it is. I think we're going to come back down. I'm just going to take it. That way you get something. We come back down by the low. I'm going to smack it again. I don't want to let that turn into a complete losing trade. Kind of kicking myself. I didn't take it off up here, but you can watch it rip now. Oh. My average 48. I'm down about 270 on the MES. Somebody short at 256. 256. $256 a mile away. You son of a biscuit eater. Yeah, Raj, I like that view app too. I like the view app for a test. Adding more longs? Yeah. I like it down this area for a retest going up the view app at some point tonight. It's Jesse, your longs? Longs to eat my lunch right now. Stricker ran away from my order. Now, I really want to get in and just put my stop all the way down here, but I just don't want to take that much of a loss. Been waiting in the lobby. What lobby you been waiting in? Oh, you're talking about that. I didn't even think about that. No, I didn't see you. Oh, hold on, Jesse. What the heck? All right. Heck. That's weird. Well, that popped up after I guess Trump was off. I don't know. All right. All right, let's see if we can bring Jesse in. Let's see if I can hear him. I can't. Let's turn my headset on. All right, hold on. We're going to bring Jesse on. Let's see what Jesse has to say. Bam. All right, Jesse, you're live.
Okay, let's go.
So what long are you in?
Let me mute the stream because I'm getting you doubled in my ear here.
Dang it.
Yeah, I took some heat. I'm not proud of this trade. My entry is 29.13. Not good.
29.13. Holy crap.
And what's crazy is earlier when I was getting ready for dinner, I was using my Sim 101 account only. And then I liked this dropout. I was like, let's go. I was like, we're going to go revisit VWAP. So I put a long on, come back after dinner. Well, we revisited VWAP and dropped way down here again. And I never got out. Stupid.
So you're up on it?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I didn't think it would happen that fast. I don't know what I was thinking.
So you didn't put a target in?
No.
I always have a target.
I know.
Always. Even if I didn't have a stop loss. I can't say that's true. On the daytime when I'm streaming on the micros, I don't, but I almost always have a target on.
Yeah, I kind of fell in love with a big target I'm looking at over here on my other chart, and I was like, it's gonna be a while before we get up there. I'll just leave it naked. So got caught with my pants down. Speaking of that target, if anybody's interested, I don't know if we're going to go I mean, obviously the sellers are in control, but I was looking at 209.
No, I don't think momentum's back. It's been a slow grind on the way down. It's not like fast. I don't know. Just one direction. I can't stand it.
I know. I hate this crap. Like, enough's enough. Look at I'm just looking at my 15-minute chart. Like yesterday, all day today. Like
from 2 o'clock last night, just straight down. No pullbacks.
I guess a couple days ago we were straight up. So, but where's the bottom? My Lord.
About to smack this again too.
So we're coming up to the friggin' low from the 8th.
Yeah, that's why I had marked off right here.
Jeez,
this is a giant candle wick to the candle body. We're right there.
This is a big giant M pattern. That's funny. From the 8th to right now, if you look on a bigger time frame, like a 15 or half an hour, it's a giant M.
I'm gonna jump back in again.
I mean, could this be a double bottom on a much bigger scale here? I hope so, because my long is not looking pretty.
You only got one contract?
No, I added one at the bottom.
Oh, man.
I know. I'm an idiot.
You say at the bottom. At what price at the bottom?
I don't remember. Well, when I came back, I panicked.
McDonald's pattern? Yeah. Hey, because we do have we talked about this earlier today too. That, look right here. Let me see if I can make this. Look right here, Jesse. Top 1, top 2. We broke the neckline. And look at where this target goes down at. This rough estimate. It won't be to a tick. 516.
Jeez.
That's a pretty good move down.
I hope we don't go there tonight.
What's going to stop the market? What's going to change us? Because Nikkei's down. Cosby's not open. HSI is down. Or at least it was. Yeah, HSI is down 240 now. They opened up strong initially, then gave it up. Nikkei's down 2,700 points. Down 4%. So, yes is breaking the lows. Yes, making new lows right now as we speak. So,
yeah, not looking good out here, man. Woo. Eric, this is a real trade. Well, my first trade of the evening was a sim trade, and then I put on this real trade in my funded account with Lucid. On day number 2. no, I guess this is trading session number 3. So I got through the first toughest 1 and 2 trading sessions on a funded account. I usually fail them there, so I guess I got that going in my favor.
Where are we going on the weekend? We have Netflix down over 6%.
6%.
Yeah, they got clapped after hours.
Hey, I don't think my market analyzer is correct. Are we down 648 points?
No, 268.
Why is it doing this?
All right, let me just double check here. I'll look at NQ. NQ's down 267. Yeah, so mine matches this.
I don't understand why it's doing that. Huh. Somebody asked me something. I missed it. Oh, Randall says, you still in the... Yeah, I'm still in this long like an idiot. I should have been out of this thing twice by now, a long time ago.
Well, hopefully it go up.
Yeah, but hoping and praying doesn't build good responsibilities, good risk.
Ninja was all messed up, so I didn't trade a lot earlier, and then it's like, crap. I didn't think I was going to even get on Ninja when we started the stream, and then it came up right before. I was like, sweet. And I went red. Oh, I got sidetracked.
Hey, Farlow, congrats. Good job. Sweet.
Oh, Atomic did good, too. I just now saw it here. Went to go look for it, and somehow I got squirreled. We go, I swear I see it on my phone, but I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, let's go look at Atomics. Oh, I got squirreled. Hey, here's Atomics Knight. He's killing it compared to me. Man, that's good. 1,600 on one account, 863 in the other.
Woohoo!
Hey, good deal on that, Atomic. All right, so that's who's taking my money. All right. I know who's buying lunch tomorrow.
Yeah. Boy, I sure hope we've hit a double bottom here on the bigger time frame here. This is crazy.
Oh, I kind of think we're gonna bounce up to set ABC pattern down to go lower. Finish that double top pattern. It could be a pretty decent bounce up.
So realistically, what are you targeting right here on this trade you're in?
29,000 something.
I mean, any chance I could get 29,013?
There's a chance. There's always a chance. But probably not till after it stops me out again. Oh, you're in Florida last week? Nice. This thing's gonna come back down on me again. I'll just take $100. We should just get a fast.
Tell me about it. Jeez.
Full port. Prop accounts have 150K accounts and Apex for 50K accounts. Then my live account is 6 figures. Yes, trying to break the lows again.
Yeah, I'm looking at it over there. It ain't looking pretty either.
I'm closing it. I'm closing it before it takes my loss. Let's see if we break the low and I'll get back in. Yeah, I'm down. I'm in a micro. I'm in micros too. I'm up down 350 in the MES. So I'm setting up for a pretty good down night. It's not over with yet.
Not as bad as mine.
Ah, yours can't be that bad from there. Oh, yeah, it's probably about what, 2K?
It's pretty bad, yeah. Yeah.
I just don't do well when we when the market just goes one direction, up or down, no pullbacks, and like we don't push and then go up. I don't do good in that kind of environment. Yeah, if unsure, ask ChatGPT.
Yeah.
Hey chat, what should I do with this next trade? Give up.
Oh, I can close some of this stuff. Let's see.
I want to smack it again. I think we're gonna sweep that low. I want to see the low swept one more time. I mean, I don't want to see it. I do, but I don't.
Do we have any orders sitting there? No, not till 9:10.
Yeah, 900 and 910-ish. More at 900 than 910. That will
I mean, do we have more big earnings or something this week? Because they're still taking time off.
Next week.
Like, it's still slow, low volume. Like, what is happening?
That's what happens when the market got away from itself. It was going up every day like 3 months ago. Yeah, we got OPEX tomorrow.
Let's see. Let me turn off that and check it out.
It's a bubble. And the bubble is popping. All right, I got back in. I think it's gonna stop me out though.
Yeah, Mike Albright. Yeah, it's summer. I mean, I keep forgetting it's summer. Things slow down.
Yeah, but we're just going one direction. Our ranges are up higher than, so the 250-day average on the NASDAQ is 520 points. Our average range right now is 620. So 100 points over the last 250 days.
Makes sense.
So the range has expanded in a time where you should be trading slowly.
Good night, Dustin.
Yeah, good night, Dustin.
Spaces has been shorting the pops. There you go.
That's the smart guy in the chat.
Yeah, you're on the right side of things.
I feel like mash button mode might want to come out.
Oh boy.
Like I'm frustrated. I want to start smashing it.
See, that's what happens sometimes during this evening session when it gets that slow. I sometimes get lulled into throwing 5 contracts on. Usually doesn't work out very well.
You get lulled into the 5. Nothing going on. Let me just do 5. Bam.
Well, you start off telling yourself, I'm just going to go for 5 ticks, you know, but really it gets you for 25 ticks.
It's getting ugly on me.
I'm hearing sellers again. Jeez, what the heck are they doing?
Oh, I'm gonna be down. I go full tilt for a couple days. Maybe. We just gotta get out of here. We should get a pop at some point. We're just not. Again, these are the times where I struggle, and that's fine. Oh, Jesse's shot collar?
Yeah, my shock collar. Oh,
that would be pretty funny. Oh, shoot. All right, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. I'm not going to hit it. That would be funny. Nvidia's down over $4 overnight. SpaceX was down pretty good. I got some SpaceX filled today after hours. I've seen the thing go off on my watch. I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot to put those orders in. I set it to where it could get filled after hours or regular hours. So now I own some SpaceX.
Jeez, I haven't traded stocks in so long. I had no idea that any stocks trade after like this late at night.
No, it did it before 8 sometime.
Oh.
New lows.
Again.
Pow.
Look at these guys. This is crazy.
Pow.
I don't think it's gonna stop.
It will at some point, just not until you're done. Gotta make sure it squeezes everybody out first. Everybody out. They'll do a big FU candle so you can't jump in. But it does. Man, what I don't like is tomorrow is Friday. And I don't want it down Friday.
Yeah, me neither.
It's basically like this is the best market ever. Pops up a little bit, smack it. Pops up a little bit, smack it. I'm the dummy over here trying to fade it. I'm trying to trade it back towards VWAP. Ooh, almost started smacking contracts. Felt my finger almost did. I had to move my hand away. Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be another late night for me.
Me too. I'll join you. This is crazy.
Yeah, definitely whacking me tonight. And my micros get me pretty good too. I'm down 420 on the micro. It's not good. Hey Daniel, what's up? What's up? Hey, it looks like ES is almost all the way down through it. And the ES on that little zone down here is about to break through it.
Wow.
But look at this, straight down. No pullbacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're on the 7th down candle in a row. Doesn't mean there can't be 8, 9, 10, but
things are getting ugly.
it's gonna get really ugly. Golly.
Dang, John Doe says the ABCD is at 28,431.
We got some down targets. I'm just hoping. I was actually hoping like on this chart or the NASDAQ, we come down like this and then we end up bouncing. And then we set up another for the next leg down to complete that double top target. I'm trying to play the hard leg up. So
John says equal lows, but overshoot it to yeah.
I think I'm gonna end up with a big effing red day. It's gonna set the tone for tomorrow. I'm not liking this. Not liking it. Hustle traffic and straight to no moves.
I don't have that one yet. Let me refresh. Sometimes mine stops working.
No, it wasn't over there.
Oh.
This is somewhere else.
Oh.
Yeah, Ninja 6-3. We got a 9 count down here. That doesn't mean nothing tonight. Just like, oh, here's another donation point. So if you're feeling generous, help pay the market, help give the market makers some money so they can feed their families. At this point, even if it goes all the way up and hits my target, I mean, it's ridiculous. Now I got this MES trade too. That's just compounding the problem. Oh, NASDAQ's down another 1% tonight.
I really want to figure out why my data is all messed up.
Reinstall Ninja. Like everything from scratch.
Nah, it's not that. It's a Tradevate setting somewhere. I'm sure of it.
But how's that on 2 different prop firms?
There's two other ones where it's fine. Apex is fine. Tradeify is fine. Lucid or TPT was fine. Lucid and what's the other one?
Hip Hop for Trader.
Oh yeah, TPT's live data they put me on was where this all started. So I don't know what the heck.
Apple and the MES, my average price is, I'll just show you. I'm down on it right now. Ah, got the wrong part of the chart. Right here, down $413 on it. I started that too heavy. I was being dumb. Because Ninja was jacked up, so I was like, we're moving kind of slow. I can go a little bit heavier on the first part of it. Nope. So I can give myself a lot of flexibility.
Captain Price, add 30.
Only 30. I was thinking about doing 50. I won't be able to sleep if I get the position too big. I won't be able to sleep. If I get down enough, I won't be ticked off. I won't be able to sleep either. That's not gonna be fun. Yeah, we're still going down, making lows.
Jeez. They're relentless.
Yep. I think London or New York will get a decent bounce, but crap, how low did we go before that point?
Yeah.
Nikkei, I think, is about to go to lunch. Let's see where that's at. Nikkei's down 2,800 points.
Wow.
Down 4.26%. Cosby's closed. Or Constitution Day or something. My NASDAQ's getting ready to get stopped out.
There they go. Dropping through the low again.
Yep.
We almost got equal lows here to the 8th.
No, hey, John, I haven't seen that. I didn't see that.
I haven't seen it either. I think I have my blind levels turned off.
I do too.
I have too many darn lines on my charts. I was trying to clean it up a little bit. And it's at 28,333. Man, oh man. Yeah, if it hasn't moved, there might be something up with that, huh, John?
Biscuit eater.
What did it get you and then it went?
F it.
It's crazy because I'm so far down. What look like big bounces are nothing compared to what I need. Oh, this is crazy.
Yeah, I'm just chewing myself up here.
Oh, Lone Wolf. Sorry, man.
What happened?
I'm right there with you though.
Yeah.
At least you have a daily loss limit to protect you. I don't, and
Right,
that might not.
I'll put my stop below the low.
Oh boy, Mike's gonna full port.
Not full port yet, but it's coming. I'm telling you, it's not good.
Yeah. Just ain't right. Down big on the eval. Was so close to passing too. I know. It's like every time we have a few good days in a row, and then boom. Yeah.
We want to stop bigger and watch this son of a biscuit.
No way. You got to be shitting me.
That's what I get, man. I know. That's what I get. That's what I get. I'm an idiot.
What are they doing?
I know better now. Still stupid.
I hope everybody that's actively short gets their faces ripped off later tonight.
Yeah, that's bad. I'm not trading. I'm just giving out donations.
Yeah, Raj, no buyers. The only buyers are like the targets that get hit. The price temporarily pushes up a little bit when they get filled. And then they all short again.
I think it's one of the worst Asians I had in forever. Like legit.
Legit, me too.
Like
This is crazy. I don't know why I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. Let me look back here and see if I can't find what I was thinking.
I think it was gonna pop up.
Yeah.
So they even got me. I moved my stop loss. I knew I got in bad and should just took my $200 stop loss. Nope, I said let me double it.
Well, it's nothing more than if you had taken 2 trades.
Yeah, but I'm not done. That's the problem. I feel it coming on. It's gonna be a bad night. It's gonna be a long night for me.
Me too, dude. I'll stay up with you, man. I gotcha. I'm in the same spot. Actually, I might be blown up. Frank, I'm at, my entry is 29,013. And so my dumbass, you know, it was kind of moving
You're not
slow.
blown up. You shouldn't be blown up yet then.
No, it's getting close. Anyways, it was moving slow, so I got long, went out there to fix my plate of food, was listening to Mike and Trump, watching it grind away against me. Didn't
Really?
have no stop, no target, like an idiot.
I really thought we'd get a little bit more reaction from that. For him talking. I miscalculated that.
And so did I. The target that I was thinking of, for whoever just asked was, oh, I can't see that far. I was thinking we'd get somewhere up in the 300s. Yeah, I was totally wrong. Totally wrong.
Oh, hey, we're gonna get the 300s. Yeah, I'm gonna get with $300 left in my account, maybe.
Yeah,
Stupid market.
couldn't have been more wrong on that one. Jeez.
Yeah, it's the worst Asian night I've had. Other than the one night I was down big when when one of them were volleying, you know, at each other. I don't know if it's Israel that went after Iran or Iran did Israel. One of the two.
I remember that.
That was the worst. That's probably the all-time worst in Asia for me. Right now, I'm irritated. Like I feel like I want to smash some contracts, like really bad. I know I need not to do that. So, what is it range? 300-point range? That's not much. DK should be at lunch.
And the ES has got to be at its friggin' limit at some point here.
Not yet. The part that sucks is I don't like taking a lot of trades on Friday. I like to have it come in with a nice cushion, take a couple trades, and be done. That's not gonna be the case. I'm down 1,700 right now.
I'm down. Well, I had a winner earlier, but I'm down. Holy smokes, 3,800. I've got you doubled, dude. Doubled.
Yeah, but you're not closed yet. Mine's closed. Hey, let's not compete here because I'll beat you.
Yeah, John, the liquidity's at 910 and 900. So, and we've been talking about that all friggin' night too. And it's like, here we go. Okay, I think they just took out that equal low from back on the 8th.
Well, they got we're all the way through it. We're below the highlighted area right here. We're all the way through it. What about ES? Yeah, ES is all the way through it as well. Market's not treating me well. I don't do good when we keep having consecutive down candles and candles and candles and candles in the 4-hour chart.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
And I know it. I just got these times just stink. There's some liquidity at 7,500 on the ES. That's 29 points lower.
Hey, Patriot, that's not bad. $138 down to -20. I wish I was in your shoes.
Almost
Darn it. Oh man. We got bubbles now. I don't see any bubbles.
Yeah, we do. I do. Right here in the one.
Oh, I'm looking at the wrong chart. No, I don't see nothing.
All right, I'm too deep.
Oh boy.
Too deep.
I'm almost to that effort mode where I start adding.
Don't do it. Don't do it. You need as much wiggle room as you can get.
I know. Yeah.
On the Rincos, a 50 and 200 EMA, and they're clearly point down. I just keep buying.
And regression channels are all down.
Hey, I got a target. Holy crap.
There you go. Sweet.
Woo.
Chipping away at it.
See, it wasn't even real quicksand. If we go all the way up there, I'm not. Golly. Got myself in a hot mess today.
Dan, how much drawdown did I have? Well, I started the night with about 5,500 of drawdown, I think. Something like that.
Oh, that's not bad. So you still got a little bit more. You got more room than I thought you had.
It's not pretty.
I know it's not pretty, but yeah, I thought you had like 45.
No, because I got up above the. I think I was above the buffer.
Yeah, if
Shoot, I
you're at
don't
55,
remember.
you're above it.
Yeah. Just barely. I mean, when you're in a stupid trade like this, $500 doesn't really matter. Frank, yeah, it's a 150K Lucid Pro account. That's not an eval, it's a funded. Right back down. At least they gave you $100 or whatever you got out of that.
Yeah, you know what's funny? You said that like you're surprised. Huh, right back down. Oh, man. So instead of a $200 loss, it's only a $100 loss. They made $100. Actually, it'd probably be a little bit less than $100, or a little bit more than $100 loss. And we might be in for a nasty day in the market tomorrow if this crap doesn't bounce.
Yeah, because I'm looking at the. Remember, I was talking about how the NQ is down in negative gamma, or I'm sorry, the NDX is.
Hey, Raphael, I feel for him. Send my condolences to him. Raphael says because it's down 4,300 because he's just like us too.
Yeah.
You know, I know I'm fighting it, but I'm like, here's the problem though I have. When I see all these consecutive down candles, I can't in good faith short that. Can't do it.
Yeah.
I mean, look, from 2 o'clock last night, all we did was go down. Like small, maybe a little pullback here, but that was it. I don't do good in one directional markets.
Yeah.
That's not how the market normally moves. So I'm gonna struggle. We're gonna see how bad this is gonna be. I don't want it down Friday. Do not want it down Friday.
Well, you got plenty of time to get it back.
Yeah, but I'm just digging deeper and deeper. That's the problem. It's not like it's getting better.
CL, well, at least CL is off of its highs from this session, though.
Yeah, the move isn't about CL. It's all about chips.
Yeah. Let's see.
All right, added one more to it. Gold trying to break the lows. Yeah. See if I can get something out of this.
trying to push up a little bit.
I was up 165. I added another contract to it, so I'm too deep.
All right.
If we can go up there and get a couple hundred out of this contract and start working up there, maybe I can just keep. I don't know. Maybe I can lessen how much I'm down. So market
I mean, I'm down 100 points with 2 contracts on, dude. So, well, there you go. Woo, Mike.
I didn't close it yet. I didn't close it yet. Let's not get excited.
Chipping away at it.
No, I didn't close it yet. Smart thing would be to close it. I'm not smart. I was up like 400. Man, first trade I hit it. I should have held it. The first trade I was short. Maybe like 400 something dollars on it. I was pretty happy. And then we had ninja trader issues, and then made me a little apprehensive to trade. We just kept grinding. Frank's like, close it. Yeah, close it and go short is what I should have done. I saw 500 on the books. Thought about closing it. I almost closed at 265. 500, I didn't want to close it. 265, I'm like, maybe I should close it. Now I'm like, eh.
How many of you guys have ever been in that like hopium state where you're looking at all your different 16 charts, just trying to find something that says this is gonna go?
Yeah, I got a Bookmap over there, 28,900. We got some liquidity.
Yeah,
which is it'll stop out one of my stops.
Oh, by the way, did it take that 910 or did they move it? Oh, it took it. All right.
All right, we need Iran to come out with a thing on X. The straits are going to be open permanently. All ships welcome to pass. Like, yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I never doubted you for a minute.
And no fees.
Yeah, no fees. Free for all. Even Israel is welcomed. We're going to break that freaking low again.
Lone Wolf says, I shorted that little pop-up, so this should be the bottom.
Oh, so now we're just going to be range bound. We're going to be stuck between my long and his short.
Ooh, I'm hearing some buyers finally coming in aggressively. Jeez, let's go.
That'll be short-lived.
Probably.
Oh, hey, Lone Wolf, if this goes up and gets me back, you got to come down here. I'll buy you lunch.
Yeah, they're getting it now. Finally, somebody stepped in. Jeez.
Let's not get too excited yet.
Somebody was talking to me. Oh, Big Daddy says, yeah, we've been there. Big Daddy, what's up?
Oh, listen to you, says. Big Daddy says.
For some reason, I want to say Big Daddy Kane. Was that a rapper from the 80s or something?
Oh, man.
Can't remember.
Apple, what price you in at? Are you long or short? Yeah, get that sports equipment out.
Ooh, Atomic passed the MFF. Good job.
Oh, yeah, good job on that, Atomic. Nice. Man, this would chew into a lot of my losses.
Maybe peel one off, dude?
Can't. I got sickness. I'm locked in.
I do too.
I'm locked in for self-destruction mode.
Yeah, I know, Eric. Same here, dude. Same here. Striker says, yeah, Big Daddy Kane. I knew it. That was a rapper from the 80s or the 90s, or when I was like pretty young, but I remember that. Sweet.
Well, if we can just, I'll even get out at 962 probably. I don't know. We'll see. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
I say peel one off, dude. You're scaring the shit out of me.
I can't be scared. Hey, BK, I have my little mini tilt sessions as well. No different. That's what happens when you get frustrated. I got like the hope, like it's gonna go up there. If it goes up there, it'll be all right. I can start over. It's like a whole new game.
Then you can take a deep breath and start going short with the trend.
No, then it'll go up. I
Yeah,
think then I'll
exactly.
just sit on my hands and say, all right, phew, lucked out of that
Tomorrow,
one.
yeah, tomorrow's a new day. Yeah.
I was up 1,000. I'm only up 600. I wish I would have taken that 1,000.
I thought I heard someone say peel at least one of them off.
No, they said add to it. They said peel some more on it.
Peel some more on.
Yeah, throw some fuel on that fire. Let's get it cooking. Hey, Lone Wolf, you think about going short again? I could use it.
Oh shit. John was texting me. John, I missed your text. My phone's on silent. Hold on, let me see.
Let's just get a big nasty dead cat bounce.
They never happen when you need them.
Yeah, Atomic, once you pass, you can get it upgraded like quick. I think it is. I'm not 100% sure on that. I think it is. You have to go in the back end and hit. Oh, there's a button or something. I can't remember what the button is. I think there's a button up there.
Good job, Greg. Greg was countering my trade and made $1,200 tonight. So sweet.
They could have made more than that. Just do the opposite of everything I've done so far.
Greg, next time speak up so I can jump on board with you, dude.
Yeah, Robert says hit upgrade. Hit upgrade, Atomic. Sirens in Bahrain for the second time Friday.
The big problem is the pattern I'm looking at and the target I was looking at. The kind of entry zone looks like a small little, I drew it out. It's like a yellow box. It's like a yellow transparent type area of my chart. I didn't realize that it was so big because that chart happens to be a really big Renko. It's 40/20.
Yeah, Atomic, I don't have any accounts passed right now. I can't remember where it's at. I feel like it's in the top right-hand corner of the main page, the stats page. I feel like it was on that page.
Jeez. 930.
Yeah, I don't know if there's a platform that has options. There might be.
To 890. So that's a 40-point range. Ugh. Silly goose.
Going all the way back down.
Yeah, short-lived, like you said.
Had high hopes for that trade. I'm down. I just moved my cursor over to a close button. Go red. I was like, it breaks a little, I'll just get back in it. I'm really irritated with myself.
Yeah, me too. Sorry, I was zoning out trying to see if there's any hopium I can smoke.
No, that's what they're going to do. They're going to leave you up all night and then stop you out at like 4 o'clock in the morning. So you don't get no sleep.
And then all-time highs.
No, then you go to sleep and it's like, you wake up like, what chart is that? Oh yeah, right where you got out, that was the exact point where it just runs and runs and runs.
Uh-huh.
That was a pretty good little rip we had up, but
28,900's got 53 contracts sitting there. Yoda. Which is not like huge. It's better than nothing, but
It's the highest around us.
Yep.
I can't believe this. I did not take the 1,000. I guess because I was down more.
Yeah.
That's really why.
Mm-hmm.
If I wouldn't have been down, I would have taken it. I'm kind of in I gotta get it back mode. I'm gonna be down.
Yeah, I'm just lucky I didn't add more than that one that I added. Jeez.
Hey, can we get a redo?
Uh-huh.
Can we hit rewind and do it over? Every pop, I'll just short it.
Oh, we got a sell bubble right here, right at the bottom. That's actually a good sign.
I didn't get that.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh wait, hold on. My ES is up over here. Still didn't get it.
Over there on the ES, it's even bigger.
I didn't get one on the
Wow.
ES either. I think you got different numbers than I do.
Yeah, potentially. Mine's like 3 hours behind or something.
I mean, number of the bubble.
Oh, yeah.
What number are you using?
30.
Oh yeah, you got less. Oh yeah, NASDAQ. I never doubted you.
right to your 200 EMA, and then it's gonna
Yeah, I know.
Those never work until you until you want them to.
So you don't want them to.
Yeah, until you don't want them to. Exactly.
Yeah.
Stupid
Stupid market. CL coming back? Yeah, let's go look. I think it's just gonna trap me here now.
No, CL's still dropping. I got it
I
up
think
on my.
it's coming back. I think.
Oh.
I didn't think about lock limit prices, but we're not even close to that. I've got caught in a lock limit before. That sucked. That was one of the worst nights of my life. I never knew. Not knowing what was gonna happen. That was horrible. Kept seeing it go down. It like flicker a little bit. I was like, and then it pop up a couple ticks. Like, oh, there's an iceberg order down there. Bam, put it on. Went out, got a drink, came back. 15 minutes later or something, looking like, how am I still at the same price? Remember looking at the bid and ask? One of them was like hundreds of thousands. The other one was zero. I was like, oh crap, lock limit. Like it hit me. I was like, oh, I'm in trouble. I'm about to get stopped out of this. I moved average is undefeated tonight.
Yeah.
SpaceX down. Yeah, 5%.
Really?
It's at 124.
And that don't have nothing to do with chips, so something else is going on.
Well, you got the elections, midterm elections. Before that, usually the market's a little bit weaker. Yeah, and T being down might save some prop firms.
Yeah, same here, Eric. See you tomorrow, buddy. The other Eric. Yeah, now I'm kind of wishing my Ninja Trader was busted like all you guys. I might have saved my butt on this trade.
Nah, you're gonna be good. Hey, you gonna still try to hit your target on the trade?
Hell no, I'm getting out as I'll take $1,000 loss if I can. Jeez.
Man, I don't want this big loss.
Hell, at this point, I'll take a $2,000 loss. I could get that back tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Yeah, John's got a good point. What's up with bonds? Yeah, that's probably what's happening here.
Well, bond yields weren't crazy. Bond yields were up today, but not crazy. Here we go. He's gonna break the.
I'm hearing sellers. Jeez.
All right, stop me out of one of them.
They're relentless tonight, man.
All right, Stopped me out at one, so I had to put it back on. I really want to. Let's go look at the yen carry trade, actually. Dollar yen's coming down. It's not that much, but on yields, where are we at? Yeah, yields are down right now. I tell you, it's all about chips.
Yeah, but why would chips be down? That's ridiculous. All these
They've
AI
been overbloated.
Nah, not really.
Okay.
I don't agree with that. I agree that the overall stock market is definitely bloated for sure. Overbought.
Hey, so that chart of Nvidia is not stupid.
Yeah.
That's a
When you look
monthly.
at it like that.
Like, so, hey, or let's go look at. I mean,
all you could do is laugh at
SanDisk,
that.
hey, there's
part.
SanDisk. That's not bloated. Hey, it went all the way from down here on a monthly, 30 or 40 bucks, all the way up here to 2,300 bucks. That's not
I
bloated.
mean, I get that, but the reason why that happened is legit. Like it wasn't, it's like all this AI crap's going to need build out. And so those companies are set. They're set. So that's legit, I think.
That much? I think it's a little overdone. A little. Hey, there's Micron. That
Let me
went
see
90 to 1,200. So you think in a matter of a little more than a year, like, I don't know how many percent, 1,000% gain is normal
Woo.
or something like that.
I mean,
That's
I guess
excessive.
it kind of depends on what their like forward earnings projections are with all this AI stuff. I don't know all the math and I don't pretend to know fundamentals and all that, but it just seems to me to be kind of legit. I mean, those are products that are needed.
That's
in
what they
this
said
AI
back during the
environment.
dot-com bubble burst too.
No, none of those websites were needed. Come on. People were dumping millions and billions of dollars into useless crap.
Really? That's what we use now. Everything's internet. If your
Yeah.
internet goes down, you feel like your life's coming to an end.
Yeah, that's true. Do I like 150Ks better than 50Ks? Yes, it's only because of the drawdown for sure.
Oh man, someone's playing freaking games again. Basically just want to end the stream. 2,400 views. Ain't no 2,400 views.
Dang, we're making the big time.
It's not. I'm gonna jumping off. If I wasn't down, I'd jump off, but I don't want to jump off while I'm down and come back tomorrow. Oh look, I stayed up all night, got it back.
Hey, there's a little bit of a ripper.
Yep. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So I'm up almost 1,000 again. I didn't take it last time. Should I learn my lesson and take it?
Take one off. Just take one off at least. And if it comes back down to 500, take the other off. That's what I would do.
Hey,
'Cause that'll
Daniel,
get you-
Daniel, I'm down on stream tonight.
That'll get you back like halfway there, right?
I don't know. I don't know where I'm at after I got stopped out of that last trade. Why get half back when I can get it all back?
Maybe. I mean, the buyers just haven't shown up yet. Hopefully they do at some point. My
We
Lord.
gotta make some phone calls. Buyers, call all buyers. I don't even think it's real quick, Sam. It's not even real. Drone strikes target U.S. deployments and logistic hubs in Kuwait.
What the heck? I don't see that.
That was 10 minutes ago.
Oh, yeah, there it is. It's not red. They're
No,
not
it's
even
red.
putting
Yeah, it's
they're not
red.
putting that stuff in red anymore. They're like, the market doesn't care.
Nah, BK, I gotta play this out. Like, I'm gonna play it out. We're gonna see how bad it is, or if I come back, whatever. So you guys can see what a bad day looks like if it ends up being horrible or whatever. I tell you, I don't usually have small losses or medium-sized losses. It's either really small or it's big.
Same here. I have the same exact problem.
I don't have medium. The only reason it's small is because the clock usually runs out on me. I'm trying to get it back. Not because I quit. I didn't wisen up. Hey, if it goes up to my target, technically I wasn't wrong all night. I was just early.
Same here.
You need what, 29,013?
Yep.
That would put me up good for the night. Yeah, I'd like to see. Hey, VWAP touches 29,040 right now. Hey,
Yeah.
I'd love to see that. Hit VWAP and then come back down if you want. Hey, I'm fine with that.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine. Perfectly fine. We have the Nikkei going to open back up at 11:30 from lunch. We'll see how much lower that's going to go. And is that going to pull our markets down?
Which market is the Nikkei? Korea?
Japan.
Oh, Japan.
Korea is the Kospi and it's closed.
That's right. That's
It's like
right.
Constitution Day or something.
Oh, they're selling it here. Jeez. Bunch of weenies.
Hey, can't we take their sell buttons away?
I agree, John. Tomorrow we undo all this. Yeah, I bet you. I bet you it rips up all day.
That's just straight down. Look. That's all it's done is go down. From 2
Look at
o'clock
that.
last night. 2 o'clock last night.
Look at that.
2 o'clock last night, that's all it's done. And that's what else gets in my head. Look, here's when Taiwan's earnings came out last night. Spiked up initially, came down, then from there it just keeps going. It doesn't stop. No, stop it. I'll stop selling with some dancing girls. I doubt it.
Let me look and see if we've got any buy ice yet. Ah, a little bit.
Why no? Just let this thing run up and get my targets.
Little by little.
Actually, get Jesse's targets because then I'll be good. Then we'll both be good.
Yeah, I mean the oh shoot, almost
I don't even know how much I'm down here. All bears consolidation. Hey, it's bear season. We need to go hunt them. Take them out. And then once I'm out, we can shorten them. We'll have the biggest rip of you've ever seen.
I'm about to go grab my little bag of Hostess chocolate donuts.
Chocolate donuts.
You know, the little mini guys
Yeah.
that taste like wax.
So when we take a road trip to Tennessee, usually when we stop and get gas or something, I'll get the little Hostess bag, but the white ones.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the only time I eat them is when we drive to Tennessee. I don't eat them any other time.
I love those, but they make me
Make 'em
my
right.
mouth dry as hell. Farlow says it's never that bad.
Come on. Let's get it.
Come on now, don't give up so quick this time, you sissy lalas. Go. Go.
I think they're scared.
Please peel
I
one
feel like
off,
it's
Mike.
just gonna depress me here in a minute.
Peel
it's
one
just a-
off.
Can't.
Mike, peel one
I
off.
gotta sickness. I gotta get it back.
Killing me. He's killing me, guys. He's killing me.
I'm killing him, but his break even's higher than where I'm at. Like, I'm staying in this for you. If I sell it, if I get out, it's gonna push the market down. I don't want to contribute to the market going down on you. I'm trying to do you a friendly favor. You were in first, so I jumped in trying to help you out. It's been a battle. It's been
Yeah.
fun.
I do appreciate it.
But I'm about ready for this battle to be over with. You didn't tell me the game was going to take this long. You have to give me a heads up.
I mean, finally we got a push up that broke the previous swing high. Like that didn't happen on these earlier rips that we got. So this might be a break of, a good break of structure at this point. I'm smoking the hopium, y'all.
Oh man, that's funny. That's funny right there. 49. Might have to move that target up a little bit. So in my head, I'm down.
I mean, if you want to know, my legit target is 63. And VWAP is 38, so...
You're trying to go over VWAP.
Not really. I'm going to get the hell out at $1,000 red.
Oh, I wouldn't do that. Wait to see around there, see if it wants to keeps going up, don't just get out.
Yeah.
If it shows weakness, then I would agree with that, maybe.
Man. It might take a few hours. I might be up late, though, babysitting this thing.
I can't go to sleep with this NASDAQ trade on.
Eli says it's a trap. Yeah, probably. But
yeah, I've been stuck in it.
It's a trap that broke the previous swing, so I like it when that happens.
I do too. Oh, here we go.
Because if it was just a stop run, if it was just going to be a stop run, they took out that liquidity level.
Now
already.
we're cooking. Let's get it.
Yeah.
Let's get
go.
it.
Yeah, baby.
Please.
Hey, I like that screen name, that username, Sector Zero Capital. Love it.
Yeah, I'm starting to get a little bit nervous here.
Dude, just take one off, Mike. Just grab one of those little green tags and drag it down there and let it just fill, please.
Okay, I'll grab it.
I said drag it down and let it fill.
Up is the new down. And maybe if they see my order there, they're like, "Oh, it's farther away. We got room to go." I'm playing mental gymnastics with the market.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you worry. I'm locked in. Hopefully.
Whatever you do, please just don't let it come back on you, though.
Can't stop it. Maybe all the sellers finally went to bed.
No.
Like, we made too much money. Let's just go to bed. They turned off their sell algos.
It's all the shorts trying to take profit before the market opens back up over there at 11:30.
12 o'clock, we usually get a little blip too.
Yeah.
Hey, we had the first deviation band on the VWAP. Or right by it. It's actually at 63. So we're not quite there yet. Yeah, it's stumbling a little bit.
Let's see if your 50 holds. Nope, broke it. Let's see if your 200 holds.
No, that's probably going to pull back on me. That's going to stink. I see like another squeeze up. Just up, up, up.
Hey, my ES is green over here.
I didn't know you're in that too.
Oh, yeah. I added... it's the Dutch rudder.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy.
I definitely could not add a third NQ contract, so I put on one ES down there at the bottom.
That makes perfect sense. Oh, in my head, I probably could have just closed that out and been down less than $50.
Just take one off. Let the other one roll.
Forearms jacked is my thumbnail. My forearms used to be pretty big. I used to work out with my friend at the guy that arms wrestles, and they do a lot of forearm exercises.
You see John laughing at my...
Yeah,
John, it's like adding, but not.
I didn't even know what that was. I never saw that movie or something. Jesse showed it to me. I was like, what the heck? That's so wrong in so many ways.
I might have to do the double Dutch rudder over here.
Oh, boy. Oh, nice. You got it. You got it activated. Good job, Atomic.
Good job.
Hey, you have to log back into Tradeovate. I think you have to re-sign documents there too, maybe. Or maybe you don't. I can't remember.
String B, sorry to hear about the cat, but I'm glad you got out at break even. Hell yeah. I wish I could. Oh, I wish I could. I made a big mistake tonight. Big boo-boo.
Oh, yeah, here was a sick cat. That's
Woo! Buyers coming in. I heard them.
I hate animals being sick.
I know.
I can't tell you what's wrong with them.
Dude, my friggin' dog, my dog, I don't know what's wrong with her, but I have nectarine, plums, peaches, all kinds of stone fruit trees in my backyard. And this time of year, she friggin' jumps up and eats them, and she eats the whole thing and then has to puke up all the pits later on. I mean, that can't be comfortable, you know? Like, what is she doing?
Oh, past the Apex tonight too. Nice.
Yes, good job.
I'm glad I didn't buy the Apex account. So I'm blowing those suckers up. Come on.
Man, you guys are doing good. I'm glad you guys aren't, as much of an idiot as I am.
We got a 9 count right now. Oh boy.
That's all right. They've been getting smoked.
Huh?
They've been getting smoked.
Really? Look down here. 9 count pop. 9 count pop. 9 count not so much. 9 count little pop. 9 count, that one got ran over. That one got ran over. That one went sideways and popped. Come on. Just don't run up there. I'll just get out.
I'm down 2,300. I'm considering getting out right now, actually.
Both?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's gonna be the fuel to go higher. As soon as one of us pukes, it's gonna go.
I know.
Or maybe I'll wait for both of us to get out. Like in my head, I'm down probably right now about $200.
See, in my head, I made $3,500 this morning, so I'm only down $1,000 overall.
Oh man.
If I close it.
So not look at that. I'm really I'm down probably 600 from equity highs tonight. That's how my head works. But right now I'm just trying to get back. I can work on the other 400 tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly, John. Preservation of capital is job number 1. 100%.
I usually skip plan A, just go right to B, C, or D.
Okay, buyers coming in again. I'm watching the volume pressure imbalance stuff on Bookmap. They're trying to buy. Come on.
So what you're saying is I need to move my targets up. Where's your entry again?
My entry's at 13.
13. So I need to move up to 13. 13, yeah, that'd be a good night for me. A lot of stress in between there, but
there we go. They're buying again. Let's go.
I think I'd be up right now.
Let's go, baby. If I get out of this,
I tried to peel it. I moved it down to peel it. It didn't feel me.
I'm gonna say my prayers.
Oh, it didn't feel me. All right,
oh boy.
Up. I tried to get out. You guys saw me. The market wasn't doing it.
Yeah, but that's a wussy try. What I do is I'll drop it below price, so I definitely get filled. I give it a real try.
Shoot, I would have been up almost $200 on that for the night. Oh man, I wish I could get that back.
It's okay. We did not get a buy bubble there, which means we got another leg coming in my mind. If we got a buy bubble there, I'd definitely be nervous, but
yeah, but I thought we had another leg coming all night long. We saw that worked out.
Yeah,
not so good.
Yeah,
I could have been up $200 or so if I would have closed out the high. That sucks.
I'm watching the volume pressure closely.
It's gonna come back on me too. I'm gonna regret it. That's gonna really send me on tilt.
Don't let that happen. No tilting allowed.
Close it right now and be up for the night.
Yeah, well,
but
just take one off and leave the runner.
You're trying to use common sense here. If I was using common sense, I would have been shorting all night.
I know. What's up, trading game?
I got one off.
All
I'm
right.
out. I'm out. I'm up 240.
You closed it? All
Yeah,
right.
I'm up 240. Holy crap.
Now, look, after all that fun and entertainment, now you can start fresh tomorrow without any worries.
Not really, because I still got the micros on. I'm down 302 in the micros.
Yeah, but though it's going up tonight. It's got to. Come on.
Don't have to.
London's going to wake up and go, what are these? They're going to wake up.
London might say, bam, bad boy.
They're going to say, what the hell are these Asians thinking? This is a...
Well, see, I should have kept it. Oh, I'm gonna send Jesse a bill for this.
Me?
Gotta get out.
Dude, I got you green on the night, bro. I got you green.
No, you're telling me to close it like way down there.
Well, you would have been break even.
No, you're telling me like way down there. I was up $100. Get out. Get out.
I said
Get
peel
out.
one off, peel one off, peel one off.
Hey, should I short it now? I think you're gonna be
Hell
good on
no.
your 13. I really do.
No, don't do nothing.
I think you're gonna be good at 13.
Do nothing.
Hey, so you gotta be making money on that ES, right?
Yeah, the ES is up 175. I should take that, huh?
I'd probably take that off.
Yeah,
Because
closed.
looking where it's at, that was not a good ad. I thought you were in down lower.
Yeah, it's closed. Yeah, ES is closed. I still have the 2 NQs on. Break evens at 13.
No, so actually it's a little bit lower now because of that ES trade.
Well, yeah, that doesn't factor in on this chart.
Yeah, I think you have a good
yeah.
shot because we have VWAP here at 36, at least for now. We have VWAP at 36.
Yeah.
And look, we got back above that first band. I think there's a good shot that we're gonna get it. I was down way too much from my comfort zone. I had to try to get it back.
I'm hoping and smoking.
Now, how late before we hit target for you? How
Oh, I
late are
don't
we have
know.
to stay up?
I don't know, but I mean, this is a pretty good move, but we got that swing high over here to the left of us. We got to break that, which is right at that combo L2 level, 986. If we can break that, I'll feel much more comfortable. But
Hey, stay broke, but that wasn't good. That was starting to go on tilt. Getting
yeah,
frustrated. It wasn't good trading.
wasn't good for me either.
I just hope we go back up so you don't blow up. Get your
No,
target.
I'm not blowing up. I got 4K of.
Hey, don't
drawdown.
say that. Don't say that. Don't say you're not blowing up.
No. I'm not.
The
gonna let it go.
market will just do some FU and you have no choice. I'm superstitious about that. Hey, BK, have a good night.
Buyers coming in again. Let's go. Are you gonna jump off, or do you want me to share my screen?
Oh, we can share your screen if you want.
Are
I'm
we
not
staying late,
jumping
or what
off.
are we doing? What are we doing?
Yeah,
It's
I'm still
11?
jacked up right now. I can't get to bed right now. I still got this micro on
Hold
the
on, let me
MES. I'm
Let
waiting
me
out
move
for a
some
little
of
bit.
my charts around and let's see.
I might go get a snack though, so I might walk away for a minute.
Yeah, that's fine.
I'm
Let's see.
feeling a little hungry. Worked up an appetite with all that. Man, you son of a gun. I could be up so much money right now if I would have just held it.
Get long again.
No, I ain't doing that now. No way.
FOMO.
Frank's like, duck race.
What's up, KD?
Hey, Katie was, hey, we might be able to do that. Oh, man. I'm wore out. I'm wore out from that.
Dude, it'll whip your ass. I'm telling you.
But what's funny is, you know, I used to work a very physical job. That would wear you out. But sit behind a desk just playing with this little mouse thing, how's it get you tired?
I know, right? Okay, my screen is shared if you want to show off my crappy trade and all this heat I took.
Sure,
It's embarrassing, but here we go.
All right. Let's see. I can't see your stuff, though. Okay, I don't need the trades. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That's some heat, baby.
Yep.
Coming with the heat. Wow, your bubble's huge. You got down there.
Yeah, over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's right about where I added. I got that. I was like, yes, let's go, because it was at the bottom of a move. Well, what I thought was the bottom of a move. So I hit a second contract, and then I just watched it grind away at me. So I'm liking all this white delta down here. Buyers are in control. We just broke this level. Oh, no, we didn't. Not quite yet. If we can break through this combo L2, that's a spot gamma level, I'll feel a little more comfortable here.
Hey, Joe, good job on that. I am kind of curious. Where's the gamma levels updated? Have they updated yet?
I don't know.
They did because today we broke the 1 day min and we're not below the 1 day min right now.
Okay, gotcha.
So we have the update. I'm going to get rid of all these drawing objects. We got to reclaim 75.50. That puts support. If not, if we don't reclaim that, that's going to be a problem. It'd be crazy if we actually undo that whole move. That would be pretty sick, but
I'm only down $1,000. I might close it. Remember I was saying.
Wait, it's still going to get up there.
Dude, I'm scared. I'm
don't be scared. You know what they say, scared money don't make money.
Put in a poll real quick. Should Jesse close his trade?
Oh yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll. Help me out, guys. Oh my God, we got 240 people in here. I need some help. Should Jesse close his trade?
All right. Should Jesse close his trade? All you need is 13, right?
Yeah.
All you need is 13. Joe says average down.
No,
don't
if I close one of those, the average is going to go up. Oh, no, it would go down.
I would just close. If you're going to close one, I'd close. If it's at a loss, I'll just close the whole thing. If it was me. But everyone trades a little bit different.
26 votes. Come on, folks. Vote, vote, vote. We got 250 people here. Everybody's saying no. Holy crap. 77% no, no, no.
Hey, I tell you, they want to see entertainment.
They like a shit show.
They want to see it. Hey, I really think you have a shot. I think if you close it, you're gonna regret it tomorrow.
And this is the stupidest trade I think I've done in weeks. It's so dumb.
Hey, because you got the VWAP coming up. So we know we got VWAP above us. We already broke back above the first band. We have logical targets. It's not like you're just hoping. Look, all you need is another 20 points. That's it.
All right.
20 points.
All right. Close the poll. Next poll. Should Jesse get out at break even or hold?
No, definitely break even. Definitely break even.
Oh no, it's pulling back. Oh no. Here, let me show you guys the Bookmap buying pressure. You guys can't hear these sounds, but at least you can see it.
It's gonna suffer a little pullback. It's all right. Don't worry about the 9 count up there. At the upper at the upper regression channel. Oh, look.
Let's go.
Hey, you got a target at 13?
Let's go.
Oh, hey, you were out. You have your target there, did you?
Oh, damn.
What the?
Oh, that happened too fast.
That's why you have to have your target there.
Oh, I don't have a target.
Oh, man. You're all kinds of going bad.
Oh, my God.
You better get your finger on the close button.
I'm retarded.
Hey, they're giving it to you. You better get that finger on the close button.
I know. I've got it.
I'm gonna hit him with the catapprong. We have to break out the shot collar. Come on.
Dude, you guys got to be kidding me right now.
Oh, you got the big bubble up there too.
Look at that pullback.
Oh,
these bastards. Oh.
You say I stress you out, you're stressing me out.
Hold on, they're trying to push it up.
You're stressing me out now.
I'm gonna get the F out of here. My Lord.
I don't know why you didn't have your target up there. I didn't even realize it when I was looking at your screen.
I had no target. That's my problem.
Oh man. So how are you ever gonna get out of a winning trade if you don't have a target?
No, I always have targets. I just made a mistake tonight.
I made a lot of mistakes tonight.
Oh, hey, I could close it now for only being down $200, $250. Oh, don't you pull that. I'm closing it. I'm out. Whatever. All right, I'm still up $13 on the night. You guys see that right here?
That's a win. 13 in the house.
13.
Hey, you could have been up more.
Oh my God, that happened so fast. I wasn't even paying attention.
Yeah, wait. I think you were on. I think he was really trying to hold out for the other target, personally.
Guys, no, the adrenaline, dude. Holy crap! I gotta breathe for a minute. Oh, good thing I closed it. It's still dropping. $13, guys. I was down $4,000 earlier. Oh my God.
Hey, you know what's funny? Hey, you know what's funny? When we talked earlier, what did I say? What did I tell you? He's like, man, you gotta be careful. Nah, I got this. Today you almost got it. The market almost got you back. It's like, oh, he's a little overconfident. Let's teach him a lesson.
Jeez. All right, so let's see. If we get a little bit more of a pullback here, I'm going to go long up here to this target to 61.
Yeah, hey, Eric, I'm green. You don't think maybe do it with micros or something?
Nah, F a micro.
Oh boy.
I was up $400 on the night.
Hey, is anybody else that's in a little overconfidence at the moment?
I got to get my 400 back.
Oh, see, I'm right now. I feel good. Like I'm like, I think I was up 400 to start the stream. I'm up 240 now, so I'm down about $200. I'm feeling pretty good right now. Hey, but look, you cost me a lot of money because I could have held that all the way up there, and I would have been a gazillionaire on that trade.
How the hell did I cost you money?
You're like, get out, please, get out. I wasn't gonna hold it. I would have been out before that anyways. I just like to blame it on you.
Hey, Lone Wolf says, I told you if I sold down there at the bottom, you're welcome.
Hey, Lone Wolf, man, I don't know where you're at. You gotta come down here. I'll take you out to lunch.
Thank you.
You did me a solid.
I'll Venmo you half. Oh, my Lord. Thank goodness I got out of that mess. Jeez.
Yeah, me too. I'm glad I got out too.
Hey, look at him buying it back up here. I'm tempted.
Yeah, I wouldn't get too overconfident though.
No. In fact, let me put on an actual friggin' ATM. All right, there we go. I'm going to push that target up to VWAP.
Oh boy.
I'm going to put a tighter stop here. And I'm going to trail this stop up manually if it goes.
I think you just don't want to be up. Oh, hey, you're not copying the oh yeah.
Oh, am I on the wrong account? Am I on the wrong account?
No, you're on. I was thinking you had 5 accounts.
No. I only have the Lucid funded account. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna take it. $165. I'll.
Hey, what's stop? Okay.
It gave me 170. Woo! I'll take it. No, it didn't. I got slipped. Oh well, whatever. 155. Oh, I'll just chip away at it. Jeez.
Actually, I want to see what Nikkei's gonna do when it opens up. I don't think I'm gonna place another trade tonight. I really don't.
Unbelievable.
I feel pretty pumped.
Dude, Lone Wolf, tell me about it. That was pure luck. Hey, zero skill. I'm not claiming to be skillful. That was disastrous and stupid.
No, mine went exactly as planned. I meant to take the drawdown. That was all for your guys' entertainment. So I was like, I'll lose, and then poof, come off on the win in the end. Yeah, I wish that was true. I would have done it a lot differently.
Dang, dude.
I'm about to get out of my MES.
Is it green yet?
It's close.
No, I think you got to 61, dude. I really think you got to 61.
That's easy for you because you're not the one that was down like I was.
No, if you've seen what here, let me.
Oh, hey, good job on that. Just ain't right. No, I know. I mean, I have targets up there, but I think I just want to have some good sleep tonight. Get this. I'm gonna wake up nightmares. Ah, where am I at? Okay. I'm good. If that ES squeezes up, I might get out. Let's see, I'm waiting for the Nikkei to open back up.
Send you a picture here. Look at the green area.
Hey, are you closed on this picture?
Yeah.
Okay, you're fully closed.
No, I've got one half of the Dutch rudder going on. Oh, String Bean, see ya. Thank you for thanks for hanging out. Thank you everybody for, being here with me through that.
And don't forget to come back tomorrow at 8 a.m. We will be streaming. We will be giving away Stay Profit Trader account. Hopefully you guys can help run that like counter up tonight and tomorrow. We'd truly appreciate it. We have over 200 people in here and only 166 likes.
Yeah, guys, come on, hit the like button. Hey, just ain't right past the eval.
Yeah, good job on that.
Heck yeah.
A lot of people did way better than I did tonight, or you. Like, market's going down. They're actually shorting it. They're not trying to buy it like we were.
Yeah, I did that yesterday.
Or you didn't keep trying to buy it. You just bought it and held on for dear life. I just kept buying it. Same thing. I just took a lot of losses.
All right, John's short. Wish him luck, he says.
Oh, me too, John. Been like that my whole life.
Don't lie. You guys, both of you are tall, dark, and handsome.
I'm not.
Hey, John, hey, I'm seeing sellers. John, you might be good there. Oh, I'm so glad I closed that trade. Woo-hoo-hoo.
I mean, Nikkei,
Oh,
Nikkei actually
John,
opened
you're
up here a little
good,
bit.
dude. John, woo.
Hey, John, how
Good
big of a
trade.
target are you going for?
Oh man. The adrenaline's starting to wear off. I'm not shaking as much anymore. Dude, we both almost got smoked. Woo wee.
I was getting smoked. Yours wasn't realized. We were getting smoked. Mine was realized, yours wasn't. Then we both came back. So it's all good. All right, with that being said, I think I'm gonna jump off. I'm a little bit worn out from that whole ordeal. And get ready to come back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Do it all over again, except for minus the losses. Fingers crossed. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump off. Go ahead.
I'm off tomorrow. I'm gonna try to join you guys again. This is fun hanging out with you guys.
I don't know if I can take it, man. My old age. I just had a birthday. Give me a heart attack with all these trades.
Hey, listen, thanks Mike for having me. Thanks everybody for helping me through that trade. I appreciate it.
Thanks for hanging out with us. We appreciate it.
All right.
And thank you for everybody else that came out. All right, guys. Take care.